Yo, yeah, we're back. Yeah, it's a bit of a later one, but yeah, we are back with more Yippee mobile game development. This is was it like part 37 or something? Yeah, we're at like part 37 of building a Yippee mobile game. Yes, and actually in the last stream, we pretty much got the game looking nice on iPad, like the actual game itself. Well, this time, we're gonna do some final touches on the game, make it look real nice and smooth on the iPad devices. Yes, and also the shop too. That's still pending a little bit. Yeah, that's pretty much the only things that are left. Minus I think I can only think of like 2 bugs, but yeah, I think this is probably gonna be like the finale for building a Yippee mobile game, because I'm definitely dude. The Elden Ring DLC comes out next Friday, and I'm super excited for that. So yeah, I'm gonna try and see if I can finish it up, the Yippee mobile game by then, and I think I can do it. I think that is a thing that can happen. So yeah, let's do the things. Let us get the Yippee mobile game nice and dandy, shall we? I think so. I think that'll be quite good. But yeah, without further ado, let us jump into it, shall we? Yeah. So here we are with some Yippee mobile game stuff. Yeah, the last stream we were working on some iPad stuff. Yeah. So the iPhone development, I would say, is pretty complete. But yeah, we've only got some little iPad kinks and such left to develop. Yeah, let me show off what we've got on iPad, like what we've been kind of working on so far, and kind of what we have pending left. Because I think we're probably going to be able to finish this up pretty soon. I would say. Yeah, let's get Mr. iPad 12.9 inch in here. Why not? Oop, sorry for a little bit of scuff, but we'll get Mr. iPad in here. Yeah, because he likes to come out sometimes. Yeah, let's get him. Here we go. This is iPad 12.9 inch. This is the big boy. This is what we've been working on. So yeah, like we basically just gotta make it so that these dudes don't like kind of fall in place, because you can kind of see them spawn a little bit. But for the most part, we've got some good progress going on here. I would say this is pretty close to App Store ready. Yeah. Mine is just like these dudes spawning in a little bit, and then there's like one little bug when we swing our weapon, it kind of goes into the ground a little bit. Yeah, but other than that, we're pretty good. We're pretty golden. Yeah. Oh yeah. Also, this Yippee sword is a little big. We'll make his sword a little less wide. It's a chonky sword. He's got very strong Yippee arms to be able to hold such things. Yeah, but we'll get it looking nice and fine and dandy, I would say. Yeah. But yeah, there are some things pending. Like we've got to make the shop look good on iPad. You can see it kind of looks a little warped right now. Even like the in-app purchase section is all cropped on iPad. But at least the other stuff is looking good. Like the little stats page we've got. I've got a little settings thing for sound if you want to turn that on and off. And then the leaderboard, yeah, you gotta log into like Game Center to see that. But yeah, for the most part, we've got some good stuff going. Yeah. And I think we're probably pretty close to getting this on the App Store. Like maybe like a week or so left. Like I'd probably end up finishing like almost all of it this stream, I would say. But yeah, we've got some good stuff going on. It is quite dandy and nice. Yeah, so without further ado, let's kind of make some things look nice. Like see these little weapons they're holding, like they're kind of stretched on iPad. they're a bit stretched. They kind of look a little funky. So let's go in and make them look all nice. Yeah. Because you see this ray gun's like pretty warped. But yeah, let's make it look good. Let's make it look quite nice. Yeah. So let's start by going in our code and looking at where we're kind of given the weapons their sizes. Yeah, we've got also the projectiles too. We've got like laser beams, which are pretty chunky, like different things like that. Yeah, we'll make it look pretty good for the iPad. Yeah, so for example, this laser beam kind of is a bit too maybe tall, I would say. So we'll make it look a little smaller on iPad. Yeah. So let's do that. Let's do these things. Yeah, so we need to basically, wherever we're creating this laser beam, we'll make it much smaller for the iPad. Yeah. So let us do these things. Let's do such things. So for example, we'll set the height to be a bit smaller here. So we've got like, basically the laser beam is like the height of the screen divided by 24. So it's a bit smaller. But on iPhone, it's divided by 20. So it's a chunkier on iPhone. Yeah, that's kind of how we're doing that here. Yeah, so this is pretty good. So I guess we can check that with the laser beam on the iPad. So let's see, how does that look? We'll do a little bit of investigating, and we'll find a little Yippee with a laser gun, and we'll see if the little lasers look all right. Yeah, because at least sometimes the lasers are pretty chunky, but at least if we kind of scale it right on iPad, it'll look a little nice. Yeah, I would say so. Yeah, but see, like the sword here, it's much skinnier on iPhone, so we'll be adjusting some of the numbers a little bit. Yeah, that's fine. We're pretty close to being done. We're at the point where we're just like changing numbers around. So yeah, it's like the gameplay is done. Like you can like pause the game, and yeah, you can do many such things, many things. Yeah, I would say the laser beam looks okay. It looks all right. I think I'm okay with that. Oh yeah, I think maybe the sword will make skinnier, and the ray gun here will probably make it wider. Yeah, so we'll decrease the height of this sword here, and we'll increase the height of this little ray gun. Yeah, how about that? I think that's probably a strategy. I think that's a plan. I think we can execute on our plan and be successful with this endeavor. Yeah, let's try that. Let's try these things. So yeah, let's do the sword first. So it'll affect both the enemy sword and the sword the player can have. So we'll make that a bit is it skinny? Because it's a bit chunky. We've got a little chunky boy. So let's do that. So we'll look for our sword wherever we be, and we'll make it a little bit smaller, a little bit. Yeah, so like the height, just like we did before with the laser beam. We'll make this probably like something like that. Just like a little, like the more we divide it by, the smaller it gets. So we'll do these things. Yeah, so that's for like the hitbox, but we also need to change the actual image. So we gotta make the image and the hitbox kind of line up all right. So yeah, we gotta make sure that it looks good. It looks all right. Yeah. So that's what this is actually. Yeah, so we'll kind of copy the code we just had, and we'll put it in here. We'll do a little bit of the copy and paste as we do, and we'll make the things look very nice and dandy. Yeah, so that's for the sword, I believe so. And we also have this is a stick here, but yeah, I think this looks good. And then we'll want to do this for the the player as well, because this is for the enemy's weapon. So wherever we're creating the player weapon, we'll do the same thing. Yeah, that's this one here. Yeah, so we do a little bit of copying and pasting, and the things look good. Yeah, so I think that's probably good. And then what else did we say? So we want the laser gun to be wider. Yeah, because it's kind of scrunched up. It's like we kind of took our little laser gun and put it in a hydraulic press. Yeah, we want to stretch it out a little bit, give it a little bit of more room to grow. So let's do that. Yeah, it should be one of these, I'm thinking. Unless I didn't. Wait, let's see. Laser gun. Let us investigate. I think I called it, was it laser gun? Laser beam? I forget where I created this laser gun thing. Yeah, you'll notice I've kind of got a lot of code in here. This one file is like 1,700 lines. It's yeah, we're approaching yandere dev territory with this spaghetti code. But at least it works. Yeah, and I did make it run a little faster, so it won't be so inefficient. Yeah, we'll make sure it's nice and fast once it's out. Yeah. Well, let's see where have we got our little laser gun thing. I forgot where I put it. Let me investigate, because we've got a bow texture. We also have, oh, I think it's this weapon texture here. Yeah, this is a ranged weapon. Yeah, so this is where we'll need to change it. Like here. We'll probably make the width bigger, so yeah, this is what we'll do. We'll make it a little wider, and by that we divide this a little bit less. Yes, that is good. That is conducive to a good plan. So that's for this. And then I think we probably also need to do that for the hitbox too. So, oh no, wait, yeah, I remember. We don't have hitboxes on our little projectiles. Yeah, because we don't ever hit them. So that's only one place we need to change. That's pretty good. That's pretty poggers. Yeah, but we'll need to change this too. Yeah, so that's, or this one. Yeah. Okay, I think we're good. Now let's see how our widths are doing. So we'll check and see what we've got. We've got little laser guns, and we have swords. So wherever they spawn, we shall get a smaller value. Oh yeah, look, the laser gun's a bit more stretched. Looks more like a laser gun. Yeah, that is good. That's pretty good. And then what else do we have? Perhaps some interesting things. Here, let's check for the sword, because I know we made that one a bit skinnier. So that should look alright. Although this bow looks quite big. Yeah, we'll probably want to make that smaller. And these arrows are chunky for the bow. Yeah, we gotta change a lot of the sizes of things. Oh yeah, that sword looks fine. Nice. That's good. That is looking quite good. So now let us see next what other sizes we need to change. So we need to make the slingshot wider. And what else do we need to do? So slingshot wider. I think also the stick can be smaller. Probably. That's kind of what I'm thinking. Yeah, this stick here on iPad. We can probably make this a bit skinnier too, I think. Yeah, we'll make this a bit smaller. And then, yeah, so we'll make we'll decrease the height of the stick and increase the width of the slingshot. I think that's a better plan. Oh, also thanks for the lurk, Sputnik. Welcome. We're like we're on the finishing stretch of the Yippee mobile game. I think we're gonna probably finish like pretty soon. Yeah, that's why I'm thinking this will probably be the last stream for the Yippee game before our first release, and then maybe we'll do like updates after that. But yeah, we're doing pretty good. I'd say we're doing pretty dandy. Yeah, because we pretty much got like most of the iPad stuff fixed last stream. It's looking almost like perfect on iPad, minus like a couple size things. Yeah, and the shop. But yeah, we're doing good. We're doing good. Yeah, let's see. Let's change the size of these sticks and the whatchamacallit, the slingshot. Yeah, so the stick, we need to decrease the height of the stick on iPad, make it look a little skinnier. And then, let's see. So if we do that, then we also need to change it for the player. Yeah. So we'll do this. And then wherever we're creating player weapon, we'll need to change the size of the things. Yes. So I would say that would be here. Yeah, that seems pretty good. Yeah, how about it? And then the slingshot as well. We'll need to change the ranged weapon width, which will be here. Yes. So we'll probably make this wider. It was pretty scrunched up. Yeah, we'll make the slingshot slightly more wide, so that we'll be able to shoot the bigger rocks. That'll be quite good. That'll be pretty good. Oh yeah, also thanks for the follow, Kato. Welcome. Yeah, we're finishing up our Yippee mobile game here. Yeah, and we're almost there. And I think we're pretty close to getting it out. But we just gotta kind of smooth out some of the kinks on iPad before we're fully ready. Yeah. Well, we're getting there. We're doing the good things. For sure. Yeah. Well, let's see. Let's see what we've got going on here. We also need to, whenever we spawn the enemy, they also can have a little slingshot that they go with. Yeah, so we'll change the size of that as well. So I think that is somewhere here. We'll investigate. Is it to create enemy weapon? I might have a function like that. Let's see. Enemy weapon. Ah, yeah, here we go. So this is where we do our slingshot stuff. Yeah, so basically just do that. Yeah, I think that'll be good. Oh wait, actually we want this to be wider. So we want to divide by, would it be a smaller number? I think it would be, yeah, okay. Yeah, I think we're good. Yeah, let's see, how are the slingshots looking now? How are they faring? Let's bring up our little iPad here and investigate once more. So we'll check. We're looking out for the sticks here. Okay, yeah, the stick is skinnier. That is looking good. And then the slingshots should be a bit. Oh, they're even more narrow. Oh yeah, they're extra skinny. Okay, I think we need to change it in the other direction. Or maybe, yeah, we'll definitely need to make it more wide. So let's do that. Let's do these things. Yeah, so basically this is where we're making the slingshot. Yes. So this is for ranged weapon, slingshot style. So let us, I guess. Yeah, how do we want to do this? I think we do need to divide by a smaller value here, like 24 or something. Yeah, that's kind of what I'm thinking. That is the airwave vibes that I'm getting. So yeah, we'll have to change it back where we changed it before for the player, which was here, I think. Cool. Yeah. So now let's check again. Let's investigate once more our little slingshot. Let us be the judge of the sizes. How is that? Is the slingshot too? I feel like it should be a bit shorter too. It's kind of like touching the ground, even. Yeah, Mr. Yippee's got ginormous slingshot here. Yeah, I think we'll probably want to make this a bit closer to the ground, I would say, or rather shorter so it doesn't touch the ground. Let's do that. Yeah, so we'll kind of get our code from here again, and we'll make it a bit shorter, so divide by a bigger value, and that should be pretty good. And we'll do that for the enemy slingshot as well. Cool. I think we're doing pretty good. So let's see. Let's kind of make it a bit smaller. But yeah. That looks better. That looks much better. Yep, I am satisfied with this. I am quite satisfied. Yeah, I think all the weapons are looking good. Maybe save for the bow and the bat. I can probably make the bow a bit smaller, and the bat. We'll decrease the height of both of those things. Yeah, let's do that too. So we can get some nice looking weapons. Yeah, so that would be like this. We'll do our little iPad check, and then we'll decrease the size once more, and that will be pretty good. That should look nice. And then I think as well for this bow here, let's see, what else shall we change? How about, yes, the bat height. We'll make that a bit smaller too. So I think that's here. Yeah, so we probably just need to make this a bit even smaller. Yeah, I would say so. And then, yeah, wherever we're creating this little bat here, we'll make it even smaller. I think that's pretty good. And then, yeah, let's see where we're making the enemy too. The enemy's little bat. That is here. So, yep, just change that 4 to a 6. And now our little bat should be even smaller. Let's see how we're doing. So, yeah, I think our bat is a little smaller. I think that's pretty good. Yeah. That's quite good. We've got smaller bats now on the little yippies. Yep, I'm feeling good. Oh wait, look at this slingshot though. It's a little stretched. It's a little warped. Yeah, we don't want that. We probably want this to be even smaller for the enemy. His little slingshot's kind of, it's a bit, yeah, it's a little stretched. So we'll make that a bit smaller. I think so. Oh yeah, and look at the bow too. The bow's looking quite nice. Yeah, before it was pretty long, but now we've got it looking more like a bow. So that's pretty good. I'm a big fan of that. I'm a big fan. But yeah, let's probably make the little slingshots look a bit smaller. And I kind of have a feeling the arrows are also a bit too chunky. Those are looking a little chunky on the iPad. So let's make both of those things a bit shorter, like the slingshots and the arrows. Yeah, let's do that. Let's do that and make it look pretty good. So let's first tackle the whatchamacallits, the slingshot looking a bit too tall. I think that's here. Yeah, so we'll just increase this number a little more. Little micro adjustments never hurt. Little small changes. Same for the player's slingshot. Oh wait, I know why this is doing this now. Oh, this should be height. Yeah, I was doing width. Oh, okay. Yeah, That's a bit awkward. Yeah, I think that's why it was a bit weird looking. Yeah, did I do that for any of the other ones? Oh yeah, this one. Okay, I think we're good now. It should be much smaller now. I wanna not make it so small, but we'll see. We'll see how it looks. And then for the arrows, the projectiles, we'll make them less tall, less stretched. Let's do that. Let us see where we do the things. Yeah, so here's our arrows. So to make these smaller on iPad, this is all we gotta do. We just gotta divide by a bigger number. Like, this is the height of the screen divided by 24. It's even smaller now. So that's looking dandy. That's looking quite good. And then, of course, when we shoot arrows ourselves, we also want our arrows to be a bit smaller. So let's do that too. Yeah, how about that? How about that? Let's try these things. And let's see if this is conducive to a good strategy. Let us investigate. Oh wait, I gotta run it. Oh wait, no, I got one error. Wait, let me fix the thing. And then I'll run it. Yes. Okay, we should be good now. We should be good. Alright, let's see. So, oh yeah, you see the slingshot? It's like... now we've got a little baby slingshot. Yeah, I know the Yippies are small, but I think they can handle something a little bigger. But, yeah. Oh yeah, look at the arrows. They're a little more thin, which is pretty good. Yeah, that's kind of what I want. But, yeah, this slingshot's like mega tiny. Yeah, we'll want it to be a little bigger. But yeah, because I was using the width before. That's why it was so weird looking, but yeah, I think now we're good to go. We're good to go. So we can just change the number of that and little micro adjustments, and we'll be in good shape. So let's make the slingshot a little less short, a little more for the average Yippee. The little Yippee grippies. Yeah, they can handle a larger slingshot. Yeah, so let's do that. I think we've got... Oh wait, it should be like enemy projectile or something. We've got some code somewhere for this. Yes. Wherever we changed our... I think it was like ranged weapon actually. Yeah, here we go. Wherever we've got this ranged weapon code, and we're spawning the little thing. Yes, here we go. We'll want to change this to be a smaller number. Yeah. So I think that should be good. And whenever we spawn our enemy too, or maybe create enemy weapon? Let's see. Where are we making our little enemy weapon? Oh yeah, we do have create enemy weapon. Yes, so this one too. Okay. Now let's see how our little slingshot's doing. Let's see if he's kind of appropriately Yippee sized. Oh yeah, look at that. I think I'm okay with that. Oh wait, but look at the enemies one. Oh man, that's kind of unfair. Yeah, why is his slingshot smaller? Yeah, we've got a bigger slingshot than Mr. Gray Yippee here. Yeah, he needs to step up his game. He's kind of out with the times. Yeah, we need to make sure his slingshot is also the same size as ours, otherwise it's a bit unfair for Mr. Gray Yippee here. Yeah, let's see what's going on. 'Cause I thought I did change it in 2 places. Let's see. Unless I changed the wrong thing. Ooh, that wouldn't be good. That would be no bueno. Yeah, this is what I changed. Ranged weapon node size. Okay, that should be good. Let's see. What else are we changing? Enemy weapon. Oh wait, so this is... Oh, is this for... Oh, this might be for the melee weapon. Oh, it is, yes. I shouldn't be changing this. Yeah, I should be changing this to 10. Okay. Yeah, that would have been upsetting. Yeah, we would have had a weird stick size for the enemy. But I think we're good now. I think we're good. Yeah, see, their sticks are like nice and appropriately stick-sized. And then, yeah, I think now his slingshot is the same as ours. Yay, that's pretty good. Yippee! Nice. I think this is looking good. Yeah, I think this is looking quite good. One thing I wanted to change on iPad though, like see how these structures are pretty close to each other? I kind of want to put more distance between when these spawn. Because sometimes, I think because they're spawning so soon, like you can see the enemies spawn in too. And the way we spawn the enemies, we basically spawn them in groups of 1 to 3, right next to these structures. So if like the structures are spawning really soon, then we can kind of see them Fortnite drop in like that. They just like pop into existence. Yeah, we want it to like, we want them to pop in, but like before the user sees it. Yeah, otherwise we kind of still have the illusion of like spawning the things in. Yeah, we want to give a guise on when we're spawning the enemies. Yeah, so we'll probably work on making the structures on iPad spawn a little further apart. I think so. I think that'll probably fix it. Let's see. Let's see. Either that or we can spawn them closer to the ground so you don't see them like fall in place. Yeah, because you see they're kind of like, they're doing a little Fortnite drop-in. Yeah, we don't want that. We want it to like have them spawn already. Yeah, so let's do that. Let's do that. So we'll look at our structure spawning code and we'll kind of modify that. That's in our update function, our ever increasing update function. Yes. So here we go. Here's our little update function. And here's where we're spawning our structures. And then you can see this is where I'm spawning the enemies too. It's like when I spawn a structure, I also spawn like 1 to 3 enemies. Yeah. That's kind of how we're doing that. Cause yeah, before the way I had them spawn was like randomly, but sometimes they were spawning inside the structures, like, or in the ground. So I kind of thought to maybe like spawn them with the structures at the same time, and that kind of fixed them spawning inside stuff. So yeah, that's kind of what we're doing. Yeah, so let's kind of spread these structures apart on iPad. Yeah, that's kind of the vibes I'm getting. Yeah, so to do that, I guess what we can say is like, we can have maybe like an offset for iPad, something like that. It's like let structure x spawn offset on iPad, like a very long variable name. That's what we like to do. We like to do the long variable names. Yeah, that's the Swiftian way. So we'll maybe make this offset like frame, like the width of the screen divided by like 12 or something. Like a little offset, like a very small one. Yeah, but only on iPad. See, that's the kicker, because it's already working on iPhone pretty good. So yeah, if it's iPad, we do this. Otherwise, we add like 0. So yeah, that should be pretty good, I think. Yeah, how about that? So then we're spawning them like a little bit further apart. That way, hopefully we shouldn't see the enemies kind of like drop in. I don't know. That's my theory, but a theory is better put into practice, and we'll see how it plans out. Oh yeah, you can still see them drop in a little bit. Maybe I should increase the offset. Maybe, yeah. We'll increase the number a little bit, and we'll see. Let's investigate. We do a little bit of trial and error here. So yeah, maybe, because I don't want this offset to be too big. Otherwise they'll spawn like super far apart. Yeah, I don't know. Let's do something like this. Yeah. Hopefully not too bad, but we'll see. We'll see how we do. Yeah. So Oh no, yeah, you can see them spawn in still, even with the offset. So let's think then. Yeah, you can see, like, poofed into existence. Oh my. Maybe. I don't know if that's better or worse. Yeah, we'll see, maybe. I'm trying to think, how would I want to fix that? I think I do want the structures to spawn a bit later. Yeah, because you see that they're really, like, poofing into existence right in front of us. The game is giving life to the Yippies. Yeah, but a bit unexpectedly. A bit suddenly, even. Yeah, we wanna have a little illusion that they're spawning, but not let the player see them spawn in. Yeah. So let's see what we can do. I have a feeling maybe if we increase the distance between the structures, that'll fix it, but yeah, I'm not so sure. Let's I'll think about it. Let's ponder as we traverse the Yippee world. Let's think what we can do. So I'm thinking, so we're spawning these little dudes right when we spawn these structures, right? Yeah. So what if we spawn the structures like ahead, like in advance, like really far before we even see the structure spawn? And then the enemy should also spawn in at the same time. Yeah. That's kind of what I'm thinking. Yeah, let's try that. And you also see, like, there's more distance between this enemy and the structure here. Yeah, so I think maybe we'll yeah, let's first check where we're spawning the enemies, like in the X value. So it's based on this structure X position minus some number of squares here, so they don't accidentally spawn inside the bridges or the pyramids of dirt. So yeah, ideally we want to increase this value, so maybe like decrease one of these numbers, but we risk them spawning inside the structure, which is no good. That would be very unpog. So what is the better strategy? What is the strategy conducive to a better outcome? Let's think. I have an idea. I'm gonna add this structure offset to this variable, and then we'll see, because this is structure X position, and then I think the enemies are also using this. Yeah, they're depending on this too to spawn. So let's try that. Let's try that. A little trial and error never hurt, as I say. So let's see. Are we gonna see them spawn in? Oh, a little bit. I think it's a little better, but oh no, yeah, this dude totally like popped in. Let's think then. I could increase the value of the offset. Maybe that would be better. Let's try that then. So this offset is like 1/6 the width of the screen. Like, what if we, I don't know, we made it like twice as far away. Let's see. Yeah, because I don't know, that might be too much. But you test with extremes. Yeah. Oh no, yeah, I don't know. I think it's just like delaying when this spawns, but it'll still spawn when we get close to it. So that's what we have to change. We have to like change how far we are away from the structure before it spawns. Yeah, I don't know, maybe I'm looking at the wrong variable here. Maybe so. So if like this is greater than this value, then spawn the structure, and spawn the enemy right there too. Let's think then. What if we keep the same threshold, but spawn a little later? Yeah, I think so. This will make it so like if we keep this and this, then maybe the thing will be pretty good. Yeah. Although I remember I ran into a bug before where the stuff wasn't deleting fast enough when I did something like this. But I don't know. I don't know. We'll kind of investigate and we'll see. Also, where are we calling this structure exposition? I think, yeah, wherever we're spawning enemies, that's good. And structures, okay. Yeah, that should be good. Let's see then. Let's investigate. So, hopefully now they're gonna spawn. Oh yeah, you see that? That's a little better. I think that's actually a little better. Yeah, you see that? They're like spawning a little later. Like they barely drop in. There is a bit more of a delay. I think if we make the number bigger, we'll be even better. Yeah, big number equals good. Let's try that. Let's try that. So I'm gonna change this 3 to a 2, and we'll see what happens. Let us investigate. So, oh yeah, you see that you can like barely see them spawn in, like barely. I think. Let's see. What if I make the number even bigger? Would that be better? Maybe so. Let's see. So we're like spawning stuff ahead of us. Yeah. So let's make this number even bigger. Yeah, so then, yeah, this is a big offset on iPad. Yeah, otherwise we'll make it even larger. Let's see. So, yeah, I think this looks all right. A little bit better. I think maybe the other thing we'll need to change is how close they are to the ground. That's probably... Yeah, we can kind of maybe decrease their Y spawn position. Yeah. Let's do that. Let's make them... Let's make little Yippies spawn closer to the ground. I think that should be pretty good. Yeah, so we've got this. Let's make this a bit smaller. Yeah. So if this is iPad... Oh yeah, we had this like set. Okay, yeah, let's do this then. Let's do that. Let us see if that's better. I think it'll be good. And then we'll have good Yippee spawns. Let's see. Oh, I did see him drop in a little bit. And that, yeah, now the structures feel a little too far apart. I have an idea. I'm gonna make them a bit closer to the ground when they spawn, and make the structures closer. Yeah, here's my idea. It's so crazy, it just might work. Let's see. So, we'll make this smaller, and we'll make this also smaller, I guess. Yeah, how about that? Let's see. Let us investigate. So, yeah, hopefully we shouldn't see them kind of drop in. Oh yeah, you see that? They're like... I don't think you can see them drop in. Like, barely or so. Yeah, I think this is good. Yeah, I think they kind of like scrunch up a little bit. But I think we're finding the sweet spot. We're definitely finding a sweet spot with this Yippee spawning. Yeah, maybe we can go in between those numbers. What did we have? We had like 20, 30, so we'll make this a 25. That might be our little sweet spot on where the enemies can spawn on iPad. Yeah. Let's see. Let us see. Oh yeah, this is looking good. This is looking quite good. I think so. Yeah, I'm pretty satisfied with this spawning now, actually. I think we fixed it. Yeah, so the enemy spawning on iPad, I would say we're done. We are done with that. yeah, with that, I think that's pretty much most of it. Yeah, I would say so. I would say so. Like, the only other bug in the gameplay I can think of is, like, when you do this. Oh, yeah, it's good. Yeah, I think so too, Kato. Yeah. I think, yeah, I've changed the numbers a little bit. I go back and forth a little bit between the numbers. And, yeah, I think we're kind of in a good spot. I think so. Yeah. So, yeah, I think the only bug that we have left in the gameplay is making it so that when we swing our weapon and we turn, like, it doesn't go into the ground. Yeah, that bug, though, that's kind of a harder one to fix. Yeah, that one I'm more tempted to, like, leave it for a bit later. But, yeah, because it involves, like, you know, angles, like the angle that we're swinging at and, like, how long it takes for this animation to complete. We kind of gotta, like, stop and start the animation every time we turn. Yeah, so that one's kind of a more nuanced. But, yeah, I think as far as, like, iPad gameplay goes, we are in a good spot. Like, this is pretty good. And we can, like, hit both of these dudes at once. Like, that was something we added last stream. Like, before we could only hit, like, one of these dudes at once. But, yeah, now we've got some good stuff going on. Yeah, Mr. Red Yippee here, he tanks quite a bit. Yeah, I don't know, maybe I'll want to make the game a bit easier. Make the enemies a bit weaker. Yeah, I think one thing I wanted to do was make, like, these dudes swing a little slower. Yeah, see how fast he's swinging? I think that's kind of OP. If he's swing a bit slower, that might make the game a bit easier. Yeah. I mean, we can do that. Let's do that, actually. Let's make these enemies a bit slower with their swings. Yeah, we'll become the fast swinger, but the enemies, they'll be a bit slower. Yeah, we'll be the OP one. Yeah, we want the player to be the OP dude. Yes, I think so. Also, what was that? I heard like a ding. Interesting. Let's see. Well, anyway, let's make the enemies swing a bit slower. Yes, I think that'll be the good thing. Yes. So I think when we're creating our enemy, we're also starting like a timer for like them swinging. Oh no, wait, no, actually it's like they only start swinging when we get close to them. Yeah, that's how I did it. It's like once I get close enough to an enemy, then they start swinging at us. Yeah, that's how I coded this. So, yeah, that's where we'll need to change it. It's down over in this update function, all the way down here. We'll make them a bit slower when they swing. So, well, let's see. I think, where have I got that? That's here. This is our swinging stuff. Oh yeah, also I did this. I can delete this stuff. That should be good. Yeah, Yippee notifications. Yeah, I don't know what that was, Dolphin Verb. Something weird. I don't know. That was kind of... I don't know if you heard that, but it was like... Yeah, most unexpected. that was pretty... I don't know. Yeah, let's... Oh yeah, here's what we can do. So this duration. So basically they're swinging their sword every 0.3 seconds. It's like doing this animation. So if we made this like, I don't know, more than twice as slow, hopefully that'll nerf the enemies a bit. We'll nerf our enemies so they're not so powerful. Give the player a bit of an upper leg. Let's see how slow they swing now. Let's see. Let's find a little melee enemy Yippee. A lot of ranged ones. Let's see. Yeah. Oh yeah. Look at that. He's a grandpa now. I don't know. That seems. Yeah, I don't know. I kind of like how fast he was swinging before. Maybe I should just put like a delay between the swings, but keep the same speed of the swing. Because he's like, we put like a slow motion device on this Yippee. Yeah, see, we're the fast Yippee. He's got quite the slow one. Yeah. Can you make them stunned when we hit him, like the range one? Oh yeah, that's true. Yeah, when we hit them, when we hit these dudes, they kind of like go back a little bit. Yeah, I guess we could do something like that. Like what we have right now, we do have like a little bit of a knockback when we're hitting these Yippies. But I don't know if that's like enough. Yeah, because the worry I have is like if they're swinging like really fast and then we don't knock them back fast enough, it might be too hard. We might take a couple sword swings to the face. Yeah, I don't know. Yeah, this definitely. I don't know if we'll keep this. This is like super slow motion Yippee. Yeah, I think what I'll do maybe. I don't know. Can I put like another timer like to delay when they swing? Maybe I could do such a thing. Perhaps I could do that. Let's see. Let's take a look at our code for that. So yeah, I'll keep the same duration here, but yeah, here's what we've got going on. So yeah, this is basically once we get close enough to an enemy, then yeah, basically if the player's within some distance of an enemy, then the enemy starts trying to hit us. But what if we're like within this distance, but we also check like if there's some delay happening? Yeah, perhaps we could do some kind of extra delay. I think. Although, how do we want to do this? I have an idea. I don't know. Might be a weird idea. What we could do, maybe let melee attack delay. I think there's an action we can do. Like, delay. How can we delay something? Delay an animation, perhaps. Yeah, I think so. I think there's something of that nature. SK action wait. Oh yeah, so there's a wait here. So I can probably do this, like maybe wait and then do the thing. I think that'll be a little bit better. So he'll swing for like 0.3 seconds, and then we can have him wait for 0.3 after that. So we'll need to do this. We'll need to say attack and delay, and we need to do this. We need to do sk action dot sequence, so that one happens after the other. Like one animation, like the swing animation, and then the delay, and then we have the enemy do that. Oh, actually, but we'll need this too. Yeah, so we'll need, okay, I see what we need to do here. Yeah, so this is reversing the animation. So this is what causes them to like swing and then be able to swing back. Yeah, so we'll need to do something of that nature. Yeah, perhaps this is what we'll do. Let rotate melee, weapon, and reverse action equal this sequence here. And then we'll put this here. And then we'll do this. How about that? How about all that? Let's see if that works. Oh wait, we might have some extra parentheses stuff going on. Oh yeah, we've got an extra one here. And then, let's see. What is this? Must be an expression list. Oh, yeah, we have one extra one there. Okay. Yeah, let's see. I don't know if that delay thing will work, but I've never used this SK action wait stuff. Yeah, I don't know. Well, we like to learn. That's why we make the apps, so we can expand our mind. Yeah. Oh yeah, you see that? Now he's like, there's a bit of a delay when he's swinging. Oh yeah, I like that. You see? So he's swinging at the same speed, but there's like a bit of a delay. A little bit. He's not like constantly swinging. Yeah, I think that's good. So now we can swing faster than him. Yeah, so he's trying to like hit us. But where we've got a faster swinging ability. We've got bigger Yippee arms than this little Yippee here. Yeah, I think that is good. I think that is A-okay in my book. Yeah. Yeah, because at least now we're not like attacking each other at the same speed. Yeah, because otherwise like you would like die like very, very sooner in the game. Yeah, at least if we're stronger than our enemies, then that should be a little better. Also, this ray gun, it still looks a little scrunched. Yeah, I don't know. I might make that a bit wider. But yeah, I think I'm okay with the melee attacking stuff now. Yeah, let's make this ray gun a little bit wider. Yeah, for the little Yippee enemies and such. Yes, let's do that. Yeah, so wherever we're creating our ranged weapons, this is the ray gun. Yeah, so we'll make this even wider. Maybe by like a really small margin, we'll make this a little wider. Yeah, how about that? How about that? And also when we spawn our enemies, we'll give them a little wider ray gun so that they're a bit more, I don't know, I think it looks a little nicer when their ray guns are a bit larger. Yeah. That's kind of what I'm feeling. That's kind of the vibes I'm getting. Yeah, let's see. So I think we just made the player's ray gun a bit wider, but yeah, I think we can also make the little enemy ray guns a little wider. So let's see. Yeah, I'm traversing the noodles of the code. Oh yeah, I think we found it. Yes, this is like very much spaghetti like. Oh yeah, so this is the player. Oh yeah, here we go. I think yes. We'll change this 8 to a 7. Ever so slight changes. Yeah, but we should be good now. We should be good. Yeah, that's the unfortunate thing about having a 1700 line file. You gotta traverse the noodles of your spaghetti code and find out where you did the things. But yeah, now we should have little the ray guns should look a little more like a ray gun, a little less like a hydraulic pressed ray gun, more wide, I think. Let's see. Yeah, only the really strong Yippies spawn with ray guns, so we gotta go really far in the game to find one. Well, let's see. It's usually like the yellow and the red ones, they have them. I think the orange ones might be able to spawn with them too. Let's see. Yeah, Mr. Red One's got a bow there. Oh yeah, here we go. Yeah, so I think that looks a bit better. We've got a little nicer ray gun here. Yeah, I think that is good. That is pretty good. Cool. I think I'm satisfied with this. I am content with the gameplay, minus this little swinging animation, but that's something we can always come back to. Yeah. Also, one thing I didn't mention, like I fixed it so that we're always spawning with the slingshot and the bat. But yeah, let me actually update that so it actually takes what thing we have equipped in the shop. Yeah, so let's fix that, because I did that for testing purposes. Yeah, like this stuff here. This power thing. Oh, I want to change this back. Yeah, I don't know. I think I changed it just in those two places. Let me investigate. We'll traverse the noodles of the code and we'll find out if that was the only place I changed it in for testing. Let's see. Noodle traversing in progress. Okay, yeah, I think we're good. So that should be good. So now if we go in the shop and we buy one of the other weapons or select one of the other weapons, we should be able to see it in the game. Albeit our shop is a bit kind of funky right now. I think that's the next thing we need to work on. Making the shop not look so funky. Yeah, look at that. The bat in the shop is like crazy. Yeah. Actually, I can't even test right now because I also gave myself invulnerability in the game. Like, you see when we were playing this game, like they were trying to hit us, right? But we weren't taking any damage. We're just like phasing through all the things. Yeah, I don't know. Maybe I should turn that off. Maybe you can see how the actual game plays. Yeah, because we should be taking damage right now. Let's turn off our hacks. Yeah, so this should make it so that we get hit by the enemy melee weapons. Yeah, I think we also have some code for the range, like the projectiles. I think this code here. Yeah, let's see. Yeah, it's been a while since I turned damage on, because I was testing a lot of things. I think that's the only code I need to change. Oh yeah, there's some here too. Enemy. Oh no, this is for the enemy colliding with the player. Actually, I don't think I need this. But, oh yeah, here we go. We've commented out some of the things here. Yeah, so this is like the enemy projectiles hitting us. Yeah, so hopefully now we should be able to take some damage. Yeah, this is where we truly test how easy our game is. Albeit I'm testing it on my Mac right now, so I don't have the ability to tap with both of my hands. I can only click with the one click. So it'll actually play different than the simulator right now. Oh yeah, here we go. Here's our little game. So now, yeah, you see now we're taking damage. We're taking little hits by the Yippies. Yeah, I don't know. So like, I don't know if I should be taking so much damage. Yeah, we've only seen 3 enemies and we're already like half health. Yeah, that's maybe also because our little weapons of it. It's a stick. It's not so powerful, but yeah, I think the game is too hard right now. We can just change some of the numbers, I think, and make it look a little better. But yeah, that was a little game over there. Yeah. But now we're no longer invulnerable, Yippee. We're starting to take some damage. We're starting to really, yeah, things are spicing up right now. Yeah, I think maybe what I'll do is I'll give like the stick more attack power. Because like the gray ones, the gray Yippies are the weakest of the bunch. So like I feel like we should like 2-shot them even with like a stick or something. Yeah, maybe I can give the gray Yippies less health. Yeah, because we're really taking a pummeling even at the beginning of the game. Yeah, well, I think we'll need to buff the player and weaken the enemies. Maybe make them do like less damage to us. Yeah, that's kind of what I'm feeling. Yeah. Yeah, see, like the rocks are like the weakest projectile that's in the game. But like, I feel like, I don't know, I feel like we're still taking a bunch of damage. We're taking a lot of damage from these rocks. Yeah, at least for like starting out. Yeah, this is only like, what was that? It was like 5 enemies spawned, and we barely even got past them. Yeah, let's think how we can make the game easier. So we can like change the numbers around. We can give ourselves more health. We can make the enemies do less damage. We can make ourselves do more damage. I think we can do all those things, probably. I think that's... Or we can also give the enemies less health, too. Yeah, those are all the things we can do to make the game easier. Yeah, let's maybe do all these things, all of the above. Yeah, we'll mess with the numbers a little bit. Yeah, another thing we can also do is make our weapon longer. So, like, we're hitting the enemies from, like, further away. That way, like, there's less chance of them, like, hitting us with their melee weapons. I think so. Yeah. Let's first work on maybe having these dudes do less damage and giving ourselves some more health. I think that'll be better. Yeah, that's kind of my thinking. That is my assessment of the situation. Yeah, so I think I've got some of those numbers over in here. Over in this little... oh yeah, here's game constants. This is like enemy health. Yeah, so we can give them less health even. Or, well, we can either give the enemies less health or make our weapons do more damage. Either or. I'm kind of leaning towards us doing more damage, actually. Yeah, so here's... This is melee weapon details. Let's see. I don't know if this also affects like how much damage the enemies do. I forget if I'm using the same thing. I don't think I am. Let's see. Maybe that's not in here. I don't think so. Wait, let's check our enemy creation code. Yeah, so we've got this stuff. Okay, that's all right. We've got weapon here. Let's go to our weapon stuff. Okay, yeah, this is... What is this? This is... Oh, okay, so this is like... Yeah, this is where we have the damage on the weapons. Yeah, so we've got like the melee weapon, and we've got the ranged weapon. I don't know. This might affect the player and the enemy weapons. I kind of want to separate it out a little bit because I feel like maybe the enemy bats can do less damage than our bat, for example. Like our sword can do more damage than the enemy sword. That could be good. Well, actually, well, we could keep this the same between the two and just give ourselves more health. That would also work. Yeah, I think I'm tempted more to do that. Let's do a little bit of changing of the numbers. So, yeah, how much health does the player have actually? Where am I setting that? That must be somewhere. It's probably like one of the first things I added to the game. Like player health. That was a while back. Oh wow. Well, we'll do a little bit of digging and seeing. So here's player. Let's see, where am I giving them some health? Oh, here's health points. Maybe, this is 0. Where am I referencing this? Let's find it. Let's find some references. Find. Let's see. Oh yeah, that probably wasn't a good idea. The word Yippee in our Yippee app. Where is this being used? Oh, like everywhere? Yeah, we've got Yippies everywhere. Well, where are we actually making this Yippee object? Let's see. Let's find out. Where are we setting our health? Our Yippee health. Oh, it's here. Yeah, so this is where we're setting our health. Actually, I'll move these into the constants file because, like, yeah, I don't wanna have to like search for it every time. Yeah, let's do this. So we have 100 health. Let's double. I don't know, maybe triple the amount of health we have. Yeah, because otherwise, I feel like it's way too hard right now. Like we're not even getting past like the first like 5 enemies without getting murked on. Yeah, so we'll make this like a 300 or something, and then we'll pull this from game constants. Maybe like max, or like player max health points. Something of this variety. Yeah, I think so. I think that'll be better. Yeah. How about that? And then we'll need to make this variable over in our game constants. How about that? So yeah, let's do that. Oh yeah, and also since it's a constant, maybe we should capitalize this. So we'll give ourselves like 300 health instead. That's like tripling the amount of health we have for the player. So let's see then how easy the game is. Yeah, well, we'll see. Let's see. I don't know. Maybe, is that like too much? Well, so let's see if a rock hits us, how much... Oh yeah, you see the stick is like... It's like barely hurting us. This is good. I don't know. And see, like when we're hitting him, he's like taking a lot of damage, but we're not really taking much at all from him. So that's kind of like as if their weapon does less damage, but it actually does the same amount of damage. We just have more health. Yeah, but we've got the illusion there. Like our stick is more... my stick is better than your stick. But it's actually that you have less health and I have more. Yeah, a little bit of an illusion there. Yeah. Yeah, the bat hurts a lot. Yeah, that does a lot of damage. I don't know. I kind of... yeah, like how easy do we want to make the game? I feel like the sword is gonna do a buttload of damage. Like let's try and speedrun to a dude with a sword and see how fast we die. Yeah, let's see. Yeah, this is like we're our own balance team right now. We're balancing out the game. Yeah, we must be our own balance team. And then once the game is out, then people will actually say for sure, like, oh, this is still too hard. Yeah, we'll see. Yeah, so this sword does the most damage. I don't know. That seems okay. Because like the thing is, right now we have the weakest melee weapon. It's like we're supposed to be like getting hit a lot. Because like ideally, like you would go in the shop and you spend your rubies to get like your own sword. and then the game is easier. Yeah. But as it is right now, I think... I don't know. I think it's okay. Yeah, I have a feeling this is okay. Although I do want to increase the damage of our weapon. Yeah. Which means I do need to give ourselves more health. Because I think increasing the damage of our weapon also increases the damage of enemy weapons. At least that's how it's coded right now. A little scuffed, but it'll be fine. It's fine. It's fine. It's totally fine. Yeah, let's see. Yes, this is the damage of the things. So what if we just like double everything? We double the damage of the stick, and I don't know. I think doubling is too much actually. I could also give the enemies less health. We could do that. We could definitely do that. But yeah, let's do that. Let's do that. That's probably a better way to do it. Because like if our stick does like 10 damage, and they like the weakest enemy has 100 health, that's like 10 hits, isn't it? I don't know. That seems like way too much. Like if you're hitting the same enemy 10 times in like any kind of game, I feel like that's like I don't know. That's a bit too much. Yeah, let's just like half the health of everything. Yeah, let's give you like, I don't know, maybe 50 health. So then he'll probably get like one shot by the sword, which is, I don't know, that's fine. That's alright. And then we'll half this, which is like 125. We're doing a little math here. We're doing a little mathematics. What is half of this? Like 375, I think? I don't know. Something of that variety. Okay, yeah, let's see. Let's see if the game is even easier now. We want it to be very easy. Yeah, because the worst thing is, like, you release a game, and it's impossible, and then people just uninstall it, like, after playing it once. I don't want that. Yeah, if we have an easy game, then people won't mold when they download the app. Yeah. That'll be better. Easy game, easy life. Yes. Best to make a game too easy than too hard, I think. I think that's a better way to go about it. Yeah. See, now they have less health. They have half as much health. I don't know. I feel like it's still... Well, I'll need to test it with, like, the... I'm gonna test again. This is a little bit of a balancing act. Yeah, so supposedly this little gray Yippee here has, like, half as much health. Yeah, see, it took 5 hits there instead of 10 with the stick. What is 5 hits still too much? I think so. I think that's, like, still... Like, even though we have the weakest weapon right now, we're, like, because we're hitting them so much, we're taking so much damage. Yeah, I don't know. I might cut their healths in half again. Yeah, we might be a bit extreme with this. We might, like, really... Yeah, let's make the game even easier. Yeah, because I worry about having a game that's too hard. That would not be a very fun experience. Yeah, this is no Dark Souls. This is the Yippee mobile game. Yeah. So how do we cut this in half? What is this divided by 2? Like 63 or something. I don't know. We'll make this 60. And then, yeah, let's divide these things. What is this? I'm gonna have to do the math for this one. We'll have to bring out the old... Okay, this is like 187, so we'll do like 185. And then, yes, okay. Now we've cut the enemy health in half again. So now the enemies have 1/4 the amount of health they had than at the beginning of the stream. So now the game should supposedly be 4 times as easy. Yeah, is that how that works, maybe? Let's see. So I should be taking a lot more damage. Oh no, I still took like 5 hits there. Is that right? I should have like 25 health now. I don't know. Oh wait, am I changing the right number? Wait a minute, I saw the points change. Oh, wait a minute, I might be... Oh, I'm doing something very silly. Is this not the right value? This should be this. This is health points. This is points? Oh, I confused myself with my naming. This is points. This is health points. Yeah, let's... Okay. Yeah, that was a bit silly. Yeah, let's kind of change the things again. What is this divided by 2? Like, I don't know, 665. That's really close to this though. Like, the yellow and the red Yippies basically have the same health. I don't know. I want like the red Yippee to really be a tough opponent. But this is 7 hits with the stick. I think that's fair. The yellow one is 6 hits. This is 5 hits, 4 hits, 3 hits. I don't know. I think that's okay. I think that's all right. Let's see. Let's see. I think that's good for like the stick. Yeah. Let's see. So, let's give a gray Yippee some love taps. Oh yeah, you see? Oh yeah, he's taking a lot more damage now. Yeah, so now that they're like gone sooner, we aren't taking as much damage. So that's a good thing. Oh yeah, but you see this? Our stick is too small to hit them. Like the sword is really long. Maybe we want to like make the sword long or like shorter. Yeah, that could be a good strategy. I don't know. Also, these dudes, the red Yippies are spawning really soon. Yeah, because like we didn't even get 1 ruby from that run. And like you need 20 to upgrade, like make the first upgrade. I don't know. I don't want it to be too hard to get rubies either. Yeah, the gray ones, they drop rubies, but like at like a 10% rate or something. Yeah. I mean, another thing we could do is we could just like sit back and like snipe the enemies. Like that's always the thing we can do. Oh yeah, you saw the rock just like really shredded that Yippee. Oh my. Wait, that's kind of OP. Oh my. Oh yeah, we got a ruby. Okay. That's okay. Yeah, because we gotta think about all these factors. All of the factors, whether the game is too easy, like how easy it is to get rubies. Because like another thing is like if it's too easy to get the rubies, then like what's the incentive to buy them in the shop? Yeah, I don't want to be too greedy though, but you know, if it's too easy to get, then there's no incentive to use the greenbacks. But that is not my main reason for making this game. I do it for the memes. But yeah, that's there though. It's something to at least keep in the back of the mind. Yeah. Yeah, but I don't know. I think the ruby drop rate is like okay. I think it's okay. Yeah, like the gray ones have like a 10% chance of dropping one. I think the red ones, like which are the strongest ones, I think they're like always drop one. Yeah. I think that's how we have it. Like the yellow ones are like the second strongest. I think they have like a 70% chance to drop one or something like that. Yeah, say we got one. Cool. Yeah. Yeah, we'll change around the numbers a little bit. But at least as far as like how the game looks right now, like it looks good on iPad, I think. Well, I don't want to toot my own horn, but it used to look really bad like 2 streams ago. Like on iPad, like all the blocks were scrunched, like the Yippee was tiny, and like yeah, the speed of these projectiles was really slow. Yeah, that's why I'm thinking like we're really close to finishing, because we're at the point where we're just like making the things look nice on iPad, which is like pretty much like whenever I build an app, that's like the last thing I do, like make the things look nice on iPad. Yeah, but that's an important step though, because a lot of people have iPads. You don't want to cut your user base in half or something just because you don't want to support iPad. Yeah. Oh no, the red one didn't drop one there. Yeah, I think I kind of want to make them always drop one. Wait, let me check our drop rates. It might be like a 90% chance that the red ones drop a ruby. Well, let's see. Oh no, it's 80%. Oh, wait, no, this is power. This is... Wait, where's our drop rate? I think that's somewhere else. Maybe here? Oh yeah, Ruby drop chance percentage. Okay, yeah, this is 80%. I'm gonna up this to like 90%. Yeah, and the yellow ones I'll do like 70%. Orange ones like 50%. These ones 30. This one I'll do like 15. Oh, why not? Why not? We'll make it a little easier to buy things in the shop. We'll be a little generous. Oh, hey, Red Zone, welcome. Welcome. We're kind of doing the finishing touches on our Yippee mobile game. Yeah, I would say we're pretty close to the end. Yeah, I think we're pretty good on like gameplay on iPad so far. Yeah, we're balancing our game right now, so it's not like impossible. Yeah, we gave ourselves some more health. We're like making us do more damage. These kind of things. Yeah, we're doing some good stuff. We're doing some good stuff, I think. When did I begin the project? This has been in the making for a minute. Yeah, I started this at the end of January this year. Yeah, this has been quite a long one. I don't know if I expected it to take this long. Yeah, and even like I copied some code from some other projects, so like even like so it's been like what, like 4.5 months so far. But I've been basically working on it like on stream like 90% of the time. Like I don't really do much off stream. Like maybe fix a couple of bugs, but like all the development I've been doing on stream. So, because I like to show the process. I think it's a good, if people want to learn, how do you make a mobile game? Yeah. But yeah, it's been a minute. We've been doing some good stuff. Yeah. Yeah, but I don't know. Maybe in the future when I make another app, I'll probably, I don't know, because I also want to do a little bit of the gaming things. So maybe I'll do like, I don't know, maybe like one app dev stream, one gaming stream. We'll mix it up a little bit. Yeah, but yeah, we've been working on this for a minute now, quite the minute. But yeah, I think we're pretty close to finishing. Yeah, I hope Apple accepts it. I hope they allow it in the App Store. I don't know. I have some slight concerns, but I think they'll like it. I think they'll let it in. Yeah, I think so. Yeah. What do you think may be the hardest project someone can do? Oh, there's a lot of hard things you can do. Maybe for like in the mobile space, you could like building like a, I don't know, like a social network, like by yourself. That would be pretty hard, because then you've got to do all like the servers and the stuff, like doing logins and saving people and finding out how to connect people, and maybe you have like video chatting, and yeah, you can really make a complicated app by yourself. Yeah, I would say that's probably one thing. Yeah, maybe in terms of like complexity, like there's I don't know, you can do some low-level programming stuff, like building an operating system. That would be hard. Building a multi-platform debugger, yeah, that would be hard too. Yeah, especially the multi-platform part. Like, yeah, multi-platform, multi-language debugger. Gotta figure out how to fix the stuff in multiple areas. Yeah, that would be pretty hard. I feel like anything low level, like to me, is pretty hard. Like if you're building like an OS from scratch, that's something that's pretty hard. Like was it that guy Terry Davis who made the Temple OS? Like that was pretty hardcore. Yeah, that's a hard thing to do. I forget how long it took him to do that, but that was like a lifetime project for that guy, if I remember right. Yeah, these kind of things are very hard to do. Yeah. Well, you can definitely go down the rabbit hole, that's for sure. There's always a rabbit hole to go down when it comes to doing the things and building the code and the software stuff. Yeah. Like a 15 years max, I bet. Yeah, these kind of things take a long time, especially if you don't get any help. Yeah, what's the hardest project to do? Yeah, I would say something like that, like building like an operating system or something. That would be like, because you got to understand how like an OS works, and then you're probably programming in like a really low level language, so you've got to deal with like memory management and stuff. Like, it's not only like the language is hard, it's like what you're actually building is hard. Yeah. Okay, but Temple OS guy also had to create the Holy See language for it? Oh my gosh. I forgot. Wait. Oh, so he made his own language for that too. Oh, dang. That's wild. Only if you want to make it work with other stuff. Oh yeah, that's true. It's always if you want like a lot of compatibility with your things. Yeah, that's always a thing. Yeah, like what we're doing right now actually. Like I'm making this for iPad too. Yeah, that's why like if I just made it for iPhone, it would already be done. Like I would have finished this like 2 weeks ago. But since I'm supporting iPad, it's taking a little longer. But yeah, if you're building stuff for multiple platforms, it's gonna take longer. Yeah. Yeah, it'd be like that. It'd be like that. Yeah, that's definitely a hard thing to do though. Yeah, anything low level in my opinion. Yeah. If you make an OS that isn't compatible with other things, you can make a DOS also. Oh, interesting. Yeah, I'm not familiar, but yeah, I haven't worked too much with the low level things. Yeah, I've been mostly. I'm kind of a one trick pony, honestly. I like to do the iOS mobile apps. Yes, I've been doing this for the longest time. Yeah, when did I start making apps? That was like 2016. I started making apps. Although it took me a long time before I could get one on the App Store. Like the first app I ever put on the App Store was 2020. It took me like 4 years to get to that point. Because also at the same time, like I was learning programming too. So it was like, yeah, it takes a minute. It takes quite a bit. Yeah, I would say so. Yeah, what's your languages? Python. Yeah, it's always existent, even lower level. Yeah, this is always another layer of abstraction down to the zeros and the ones. Yeah, I know a fair bit of languages. Red Zone. Yeah, I like Swift the most. Like making the iOS things is pretty fun. But I've worked with quite a bit of languages actually. Like, yeah, I work with like Swift. Yeah, we like to get Swifty in here. Yeah, I worked with like C#, like Python, Java, JavaScript, C++, like a lot, like most of the popular languages I've built stuff in, like simple things mostly. Maybe like Java, I'd say I used to make really small Minecraft plugins, and that was the language I learned in school. So I know a lot more Java, Python too. Yeah, because Python I used to make the small things. Yeah, I wonder if Swift is like Dart for mobile. It kind of is Red Zone. It kind of is, because like, at least Dart is very similar to like Swift UI. It's like a declarative language. Like I'll show you some Swift UI code. Like the stuff I've been showing right now is all like what's called SpriteKit. Like you'll see this kind of code when you're like building views and stuff. This is a lot more kind of like Dart, like you're mentioning. It's more declarative. Like you make a view and you put the things inside the view. That's like Dart. I haven't built in Dart, but I've seen the language. It looks like this. Yeah. I hate Dart. Too many parentheses. I like Python style. Yeah, that's true. But in Python, you got to worry about spaces too. You got to worry about the dreaded spaces. Yeah, it's like, oh, I put 3 spaces here instead of 4. Now it's completely different. Yeah, you gotta be careful. But yeah, I like Python though, because it's very simple to use too. Like you can build things like, I think Python's like, to me, it's probably like the easiest thing. You can just like literally open up a text editor and put like a couple lines together and you do a lot of things. Yeah, drink water. Yeah, my voice is pretty oof. That's a good idea, Kato. I'm gonna do the water thing because R.I.P. voice. All right, we good. Yes. But yeah, I would say Python's pretty nice. I like it. Yeah, because you can do like pretty complex stuff in like the least amount of lines possible. Yeah. Plus for like if you're doing like you're applying to a job and they ask you like these coding questions, then you can it's a pretty good language for that. Your voice is lovely. I don't mean it that way. I appreciate it. But you're right. Yeah, like I'll be honest, I'm not used to talking so much, so my voice goes out really easily. Like by the end of stream, I'm like, yeah, I drink a whole like bottle of water after. Yeah, I need like one of those like whatchamacallit, like those bit things for like hydrate. Oh, we don't have bits yet, so maybe in the future, perhaps. Yeah. Yeah, I've been around the language stack. I've been doing a little bit of different things. We've been doing a little different things. I definitely say the most complex stuff I've written have been in Swift. Yeah, I do a lot of like the mobile thing. Yeah, I'm kind of addicted to making apps, even the really silly ones. Yeah, because it's fun to turn the brain ideas into something. And for me, I like to do apps for that. Yeah, we like to express the brain juice creativity in some app medium. Yes, that's why I make a lot of meme apps too. Like, yeah, I'll probably be doing some more of those. I think after I finish this game, like I'll probably do some streams where I do like updates to this game. Like if Apple approves it and I get it on the App Store, then I'll make some streams of like doing updates to this. But I also have some other app ideas too, like really silly ones. I like to turn memes into apps, and I have an idea for a Skibbity Toilet app. Yes, I think that is something on the horizon. Yes, but we like to do the meme things too. We like to turn the interweb memes into mobile apps. That is a thing we like doing around here. Yeah. So perhaps such a silly app is on the horizon. I would say. Yeah. Do you have serious project ideas? I do have one. I haven't like shared it. It's on like my personal. I can maybe work on it on stream, but like I did have like I'll mention it a little bit. Like I had an idea for like a video, like a video calling kind of social media-esque. Keep it personal. It's all right. It's like I'll give you like the idea, but I don't know, maybe because I haven't worked on it in a bit. I've been doing the Yippee thing for mostly, so I've been procrastinating on that one. But the idea is like those I don't know, like the like anonymous messaging apps, like anonymous video apps, like video calling and like also messaging. I think I have an idea for an app for that, like something of that nature. I think would be cool, but that would be a long app to make. But yeah, I've been like procrastinating on that one. Like I started that one like last December, and I'm at the point where like, yeah, Omegle, basically Red Zone. Yeah, that's exactly right. Basically Omegle. Yeah, and then Omegle got taken down, right? So there's the opportunity to make something similar. Yeah, but don't tell them I said that. Yeah, but they banned Omegle, didn't they? Or at least they took it down. They're like, oh, it's not good. But yeah, I had the idea before they even took it down, and then they took it down, and I'm like, oh man, I should really start building this now. But yeah, I have that kind of idea. That's a more of serious app, I think. But yeah, it'll take much longer to make. Yeah, and I don't know if I'll do it on stream because that kind of app I think will take me like a year to make. That might be, I don't know, because I also want to do some gaming stuff. At least I don't know. Maybe if I like split my streams between that and gaming, or we'll do some more of the meme apps perhaps. But yeah, I think so. I don't know. We'll see. If we don't have many creative brain ideas, I might bring it to light. But yeah, the gaming is a great idea. Yes. Yeah. Speaking of which, I think that is what my plan is for the next stream. I'm gonna be doing the Elden Ring DLC when that comes out. Yeah, because I stream on the Fridays and Saturdays, and that DLC happens to come out like right before my streaming time on Friday. So we're gonna be getting the juice real nice and fresh. Yeah. I don't like to make anonymous the main part of a project. It's hit or miss, I guess. I guess they never miss. Big meme Red Zone. Yeah, it's tricky with anonymous too, because like, yeah, I kind of want to have like a login in the app, like still like log in to like verify age, you know, because if you have like an anonymous video app, that can go south pretty quick, as you can probably imagine. But at least if you have like a login to like verify their age before they use the app, but like you don't have like any usernames, like you still have to log into the app, but there's no usernames or anything, so it's kind of anonymous in that sense. But at least you can verify their age, because yeah, the last thing you want is some weird stuff happening in your app, like Bumble but video. Yeah, like kind of like that, something similar. Yeah. But yeah, you gotta be really careful, because I think that's why Omegle even took down their app. Like I think people were misusing it. Yeah, because yeah, it'd be like that. It'd be like that. Yeah, I'm gonna get some more aguas. Wait, we'll get some more waters. I like the physical proximity. Oh yeah, that was another thing I planned for that app. So like I have that idea of like anonymous video messaging app. Like the kind of premise is like, if you like the person, then you can add them as a friend later to talk to them. But before you sign up to the app, like before you can use it, you put in your preferences, like what your interests. Like, oh, I like this game, or this, I like to do this thing, or perhaps this is where I'm located, and it'll suggest you people that have the same interests or are close by. Yeah, so that's kind of the premise of the app. It's anonymous in the sense like you don't know who they are, and don't know their username, but like you can guarantee they'll have some kind of similarity with you, whether it be like interests or proximity. I think that would be an interesting app, but it would definitely take a long time. Yeah, I'm like I'm doing a lot of things for the first time with that app. Like I started that one last December, and I've been putting it off because we've been doing the Yippee thing, but like I've been doing like login for the first time, like login with Google, login with Facebook, and the like. Yeah, there's a lot of new stuff, and it's taken me some time. But yeah, I don't know. I like the Yippee. The Yippie's more fun. Yeah, so we like to do the Yippee things. But that is definitely another thing on the horizon, perhaps. Perhaps. But yeah, I think we can do some interesting things. That'll be pretty neat. That'll be pretty neat. Along with the mega meme apps, like the Skibbity Toilet one I'm thinking of. Yeah, because I've made some apps on stream, but like micro apps, like the ones that take like 1 or 2 streams to make, just for the mega meme of it. Yeah, but at least like this one, this Yippee one, this one's like, yeah, we're at like month 4, because I'm planning on putting this one on the app store, so it takes a lot more time. Yeah, X is the macro app. Yes, exactly. Yeah, we did the big memeing dropshop app. We like to do the big meme around here. Yeah. But one thing I'm worried, I hope they don't like take my thing down for like copyright. I don't know. Is Yippee like public domain? I don't know. Maybe. We'll see. We'll be the judge. Well, I guess the Apple team will be the judge when we submit it for review. But yeah, I don't know. I think Yippie's okay. Yeah, because I had some ideas for some other meme apps, but like, you know, they either used like some IP that was out there, or like someone's face, and I'm like, there's no way Apple's gonna let this in. But at least with Yippee, I think we're good. I think we're okay. Well, we'll see. Because Yippie's kind of everywhere. Yeah. But yeah, for example, I had like some memes with like Among Us. Like, what if I made an Among Us meme app? Like, yeah, they're gonna like not allow that in the App Store because it's like Among Us copyright. Yeah. Do you make sacrifices to get further with programming or whatnot, IRL? That's a tough question. I mean, like, I guess, like, sacrifice, I guess, like, spend more time on it and, like, avoid other things. Maybe, kind of. I don't know. To me, it's not really like a sacrifice, because I enjoy doing it. So it's more like a, you know, you do what you can with your free time. Yeah, because I don't know. Like right now, I'm like making the Yippee game, but it's not really like. I'm not really testing a lot of new skills. I'll be honest. A lot of the code for this app, I kind of already knew how to do. Like I think there was a couple of there were a couple of new things, but yeah, I don't know. I think looking into newer documentation might help with some things. Yeah. I mean, would you turn down an invite for barbecue to grind on a project? Nah, probably not. Probably not Red Zone. Yeah. That depends. That would imply I get invites for going to barbecues. Yeah. It'd be like that. It'd be a little bit like that. Yeah, I don't know. It's when I have those kind of opportunities, I don't turn them down for this kind of stuff. But let's go together. Yeah, let's all have one big barbecue. Yeah, let's get put some shrimps on the barbies with the sausages and the good things. Yeah, that would be pretty neat. That would be pretty good. Yeah. Also, I just noticed there might be a bug when I'm hitting these dudes. Sometimes they take like double hit. Yeah, maybe there is one bug left. But yeah, I don't know. I like to work on my own projects a lot in my free time because it's fun. You get to do the fun things. Yeah. I like to keep the mind busy. That is a good thing. Yeah. Even if it's with the silly Yippee games. Yeah, we like to do the silly things though. Those can be quite whimsical, quite magical. Yeah, and Yippies are quite magical creatures indeed. Yes, that is a good thing. Yeah. Yeah, but definitely, I don't know. I would recommend that. Like if you like building stuff, then yeah, spend some time learning a language or something, or building a good project that you'll like and you'll want to look back on. Yeah, because I don't know. At least for me, it's really fun to like finish something and look back on it. It's like, oh man, it's there. And at least for like mobile apps and stuff, they're always there. Like, well, at least you gotta pay like a yearly fee to Apple to keep them in the App Store. But you know, it's like it's something there. It's there. What's your experience with TDD? Oh, that's gross. I've done it. Yeah, I've done it, but it's it is gross. I'm not a big fan of it. Yeah, like writing your tests first. Like TDD, test-driven development. Writing your tests first before actually writing your code. That is, I don't know. That's really gross to me. Like you'll notice in my Yippee app, I've not written a single unit test or a single integration test. And that is on purpose because I feel like tests only really make sense if you're on a team or if other people are looking at your code. Otherwise, you know, at least for me, you know, I've got the whole Yippee app in my brain. I know the code. I don't think I need to prove to myself I need to write some tests for it. But I guess I can see why you might want to write it if you're like on a team. Yeah. Bro, who are these bots? Go away. Goodbye. Yeah. I prefer using main. Yeah, RIP bots. They were very short-lived. They tried it, but yeah, so much for that. I prefer using main as a test, and I make small functions to test my knowledge and then put it all together. Yeah, it's good to like make small functions. That's good. Yeah, I like to do that too. If you write like a big chunky function, then it's not so good. But at least like actual like unit tests, I don't know. Yeah, tests are there when the intern submits 2,000 lines of code for you to check. Yeah, that's also true, Dolphin Perv. Yeah, if you get a big, ginormous unga bunga PR, then yeah, at least with the unit test, you can be sure that the code works. You don't have to mull over it forever. Yeah, that's a good use case. Yeah, I feel like for personal projects though, it's like way overkill. I like it's super overkill, I think. Yeah. Well, definitely if you're like looking at someone else's code or someone's gonna be looking at your code, I guess I can see the benefit, but I don't know. I'm like, I don't want to say I like don't write tests. They're kind of like a waste of time, but bro, I'm like, dude, every time I write a test, I like approach that philosophy. I don't know. Maybe I still haven't seen the light yet of testing, but yeah, I'm a bit anti TDD. Yeah, I would say so. I would say so. Yeah. Yeah, oh, what did I miss? Oh yeah, we're just doing a little bit of we're talking about some weird stuff, some TDD test-driven development and things. Yeah, the Yippee game's looking good though. I'm feeling pretty good about this. Yeah. Yeah. Oh, were those bots? Yeah. Yeah, we kind of purged the bots from the cyber realm. They're no longer with us. Yeah, you're pro TDD? Oh, really? Yeah, what do you like about it? I'm not... I don't know. To me, I feel like unit test is a bit extra. Yeah, I don't know. But maybe I'm just not, like, red-pilled yet. Yeah. I'm kidding. Hey, if you aren't, that's all right. Did you do functional programming? I've written stuff in, like, very little red zone. Like, I had to do Haskell for, like, a class one time. And that was really hard, because that was the only time I've ever done some kind of functional programming, like a small bit of Haskell. And I tell you what though, it just like I finished the class and most of it just left to my brain. Yeah, I don't know. It's a much different way of programming. Like Haskell's like you got to think of everything recursively, and like the syntax is extremely different than anything. Yeah, I think it's useless. I mean, there are some things which are built in like Haskell and the like, but very few. Most people don't use that. Yeah, at least in industry, it's very uncommon. Yeah. The Emacs folks love functional. Yeah, I've heard that. I've heard that too, Dolphinburb. Yeah. Well, as I really only do scripts, I can see how TDD in an enterprise area can be double-edged, but sometimes necessary. Yeah, I can see why it would be good in like a business setting, dropship hat. Like if you got really big code, then and other people are looking at it, then I can kind of see it there. Yeah. Turns into imperative code. Yeah. We like the OOP imperative things around here. Yeah. I like it. I like the Swiftian way. Yeah. But yeah, functional's a bit... That's kind of different. Yeah, why OOP? Well, I don't know. I guess I kind of have been writing my app in like an OOP way. I guess just to like organize things. Mostly for like organization. Yeah, because like I guess in my app you'll see I have like different objects for stuff. Like I have like I've got like... Oh, whatchamacallit, I have like all these models, these like player, enemy, we've got these little classes and things. Some constructors and build the objects and inject them in here. Yeah, it's mostly organization for me. Yeah. Do you have a Discord? I don't, Kato. I don't know, maybe should I make one? Maybe. Maybe. I don't have one yet, but maybe I'll think about it. Yeah. Okay, I just do the thing underbar doing stuff. Yeah, that's a good way to go about it. That's a good way to go about it. Have the functions do the things. Yeah. Yeah. I don't know. Maybe I'll make a Discord. We can put some announcements and things in there. Yeah. But at least the announcement stuff I do on the Twitters for the time being. Yeah, definitely. I'll keep people posted on how the app is doing. Because I think I'm probably gonna submit it to Apple reviews soon. Yeah, although I am pending some kind of tax things. Yeah, I'm on like my 4th ticket with Apple related to like tax stuff. Yeah, hopefully that clears up soon, because that might delay when I can publish my app, even if it's finished. Yeah, I know. I'll keep the peeps posted. Yeah. But yeah, I think things are doing good. Yeah. Sometimes I also do thing ask for input is repeatable. Yeah, yeah. Yeah, a lot of people are against like long names, but I like long names. Yeah, because if you have like a really long name, like, and like like the worst thing you can have is a too short of a function name, because then like you might miss out on some information. Yeah, you can always put like comments above the function, but like I don't know. Yeah, honestly, I've seen like a lot of like code that I've seen in business, like people don't really comment much. Yeah, so it's like I don't know, like variable names and function names are a better way to give a description of things. 'Cause yeah, you'll see in my app I have very long names. Yeah, yeah, even like yeah, you see this like enemy bat melee weapon category, or like yeah, what are some function names I have? Yeah, very long such names. Yeah, I think I have like for creating like yeah, like update health bar position and flash if needed. Yeah, I like to be very verbose with things. Yeah, I like to do 1 or 3 letter bars at work, never 2, obviously. Yeah, it depends. Yeah, for like for loops, I sometimes do that. Like if you need to write something like, you know, like a for loop, like a var I, like the Java way, you can do like var I. Yeah, if you have like a very common thing. Yeah. And for loop, I do I and double I and triple I sometimes. Yeah, I do that too. Yeah, because yeah, sometimes you just have something that you need to repeat, but the actual thing that makes it repeat, the name of it doesn't matter as much. Yeah. Oh, we have a Yippee in the structure. Uh-oh. We might have to revisit this. Yeah, I might have to separate out these structures a bit more so we don't have any stuck Yippies. Yeah, I think that was a very niche case though. But good that we caught it. I'll make a note of that. Yeah. Yeah. I and J too similar. Yeah, that's true. That is true. Yeah, I like to do like I and like I2 or like I3. Yeah. Because at least with the number, then you can really see the difference. But yeah, with like I's and J's look very similar. Yeah. Yeah. I3 easy. Yes. Precisely. Indeed. Yeah. Yeah, this is pretty good though. This is quite good. Yeah, I think the game is sufficiently easy. I'm feeling good about this. I'm feeling pretty good. Yeah. Wait, let's see how many rubies I have actually. I have 48. Wait, I have enough to buy something. Yeah, in my weird looking shop. Yeah. And what made you choose Mac? That's a good question, Red Zone. Yeah, actually, I bought my first Mac. This is my second Mac I'm on. Because my first Mac I got back in 2015, long time ago. Yeah, it's for yeah, that's right, Red Zone. Yeah, that was kind of one of the main reasons. Yeah, because you need a Mac to run Xcode, which is only in the Mac App Store. Yeah. But I also got it for like iMovie. Yeah, because I sometimes like I got my first Mac back in school, and sometimes it would have like video projects, and like I think iMovie was pretty easy to use. Yeah, that's also a Mac thing. Fonts that make I and J more different? Yes. If you still like your I's and J's, you can just use a different font. That is true. Yeah. Having double I is more logical than J if you nest loops. Oh, is it? Yeah, I guess so. I kind of use like I too if I nest things. Yeah. I haven't used J in a while, like a long time. Yeah. I used to do when I was first learning how to code. I did a little bit of the competitive programming ever so slightly. That was when I was first starting to learn how to code, and I used I's and J's for my loops. I remember that. I'm still a student. I'm trying to be like y'all. Hey, yeah, welcome, Kanoa though. Yeah, it's a good journey. It's a good journey. Yeah. Yeah, great at programming, you know? Oh, yeah, nice. Yeah. It's good to get better. Yeah. Always build the things, always be coding, and you'll get better. I'm pretty noob though. I'm quite the big noob. Yeah, even my code, you'll see the file I had was 1700 lines. This is very spaghetti-like. This is actually, I'm not very good. Yeah. You just get out there and throw some errors. Yeah, true. Yeah, you learned from the mistakes. Indeed. Yeah. Yeah, Yippee game is looking alright though. I don't like this distance though. You see that, like, kind of, the text kind of spawned in there. Yeah, that's something to do with state. SwiftUI state stuff causes that. Yeah, I don't know. I might fix that before I finish it. Yeah. I could always just release the app like right now with like a couple bugs. I don't know. I wouldn't be content with myself. Yeah, it's just like, oh, release the app now and then like do an update to bug fixes. Yeah, I don't know. I'm not a fan. AAA studios do it all the time. I don't know, man. I'm not a big fan. Is your game pay to win? I don't think so. Like, I mean, technically, you can buy upgrades in the shop to make your weapon better, and this costs like rubies. Yeah, you'll see the shop looks pretty weird. This is the last thing we need to fix in our app, make it look nice on iPad. But yeah, you need to buy like different weapons to upgrade and do more damage. But like these rubies, like this currency, you can get in the game. Like you can also buy it, but I mean, yeah, you can. It's pretty easy to get in the game. So like I don't imagine like it's not like needed to advance in the game. Yeah, I wouldn't say so, Red Zone. But I mean, technically, if you like just downloaded the game and you didn't even play it at all, and you just go like straight to the shop and you like max out on gems, I mean, you could like get to max weapon like instantly. But I mean, like you're not really competing for much. Like you're kind of just like making the game easier for yourself. I mean, there is a leaderboard where you can like, I mean, I can't show it, but it's like for like how far you go in the game. So, but yeah, I don't know. I wouldn't say it's pay to win. It's mostly like pay to get some upgrades faster. Oh, and also skins. Yeah, there's also skins in the shop. You can get little skins you can spend your rubies on. You can be Space Yippee from outer space. You can be little astronaut Space Yippee. But yeah, pay for cosmetics or for slightly faster upgrade obtaining. Yes. Yeah, this, I wouldn't say it's one of those. Yeah, leaderboards damage privacy. Yes. I kind of agree with you there, Red Zone. Yeah, I don't know. I thought about maybe having an option to like hiding the player. Like you can select. I thought about it. Maybe like have a setting here besides sound, like having a setting for like, hiding yourself from the leaderboard. Maybe. Yeah, you're right, Red Zone. I don't know. Maybe I should do something that number of bro. Sus master. Yeah, I don't know. I'll have to see how to implement that though. But I kind of agree with you there, Red Zone. Yeah, because it'll show your game center name in the leaderboard. Yeah. Very silly things. Yeah. Boy Kisser came real. Oh, is that the next app idea I should make? Bro, that would be mega meme. Bro. Mega boy kisser game. I don't even know what an app like that would look like. Oh my gosh, that would look... Yeah, I guess you could do stuff with the camera, because you've got the camera on your phone. Maybe you could like, I don't know, have some like AI thing. See how good your kissing lips are. something of this variety. Something of mega meme nature. Yeah. Oh yeah, that's another thing though. Like the apps that I can make on stream are kind of limited, because I can't really do any camera apps, right? Because I don't want to leak But yeah, I don't think I'll be making any camera integrated apps anytime soon on the streams. Yeah. I lost my Yakuza boss's wallet, now I have to do a kissing dance for the camera, yeah boy, pretty much. Not again. Yeah, dude. Well, what a meme that would be. Bro. Yeah, many interesting app ideas on the horizon. Oh, which one's that? Dropshop Pat? Is it a Yakuza one? I was thinking of the game, like the Yakuza game. Yeah, there's an anime for that one, or maybe not for the game, but a different one. Imagine kissing, bro. It's like 4 Yakuza become J-pop female idols. Oh my gosh, that sounds like a crazy anime dropshop Pat. I haven't heard of that one, but that sounds like quite the premise. That sounds like, oh my gosh. Bro, they've got those weird animes. Like there's one where like, well, you get like reincarnated as a slime. Yeah, those interesting anime titles. I haven't seen it, but it sounds hilarious. Yeah, that sounds pretty mega meme. That sounds like the big memes. Yeah. I don't know. That sounds like I like the contrast. I like the. It's like, yeah, you've got the hardcore dudes and they become the J-pop female idols. Oh my goodness. Yeah, we like the big mega memes like that. Yeah. Oh yeah, what are good anime suggestions? So that kind of starts making me think about animes. Yeah, actually, I watched one recently. It was have you guys heard of like Soso no Frieren, like the Frieren anime? I saw that one recently. That was really good. I really like those kind of like fantasy ones. But I really like that one. I saw that one recently. It was pretty good. Yeah, K for King. So is that what it's called? I don't watch anime. It's good. Yeah, I don't know. It's not for everyone though. But yeah, I like some. Mainly like the fantasy ones, or like the action ones, the ones with the big flashy fights. I like those ones. Yeah, I'm kind of limited to those. Yeah, I don't watch anime except you. I appreciate it, Red Zone. Yeah, we like to do a little bit of blending of the anime and the programming. Yes, it's a very niche thing. Yeah, I appreciate it though. Yeah. I'm a little bit of an anime enjoyer though. I'm not like a mega. I don't watch a whole bunch of stuff. Only like specific things. Yeah. It's called K. Oh, interesting. Oh, the new Seventh Prince one, pretty good. Oh, what's that about? I haven't heard of that one. Baka Monogatari. I've heard of that one, but I haven't seen that one. Yeah. Yeah, I'm a big fan of like the shonen variety. Like yeah, one of my favorite animes is Hunter x Hunter. That's a good one. I like the shonens very much so. Oh, it's so good. Oh, is it? I'll have to check it out then. Yeah, I've got some on my to watch list. I need to add some more though. Cause yeah, after I watched that Frieren anime, I have like no idea what to watch. I'm in an anime stump now. Yeah. But I am open to many good suggestions. Yes. Bogey Pop Phantom is good too. Huh. Interesting. How good am I at singing? Oh, that's a funny question, Red Zone. Like, not good at all? I don't know. I've never really tried singing. I don't think I would be very good though. Yeah, I think I would be quite. Yeah, I don't think it would be music to the ears. I'll say that. It's like Serial Experiments Lane. Oh, interesting. I haven't heard that one either, but I haven't seen that one, but I've heard of it. I've heard interesting things about that one. Yeah, I have some friends who like the more. Yeah, because I'm into like shonens and stuff. I have some friends who are like into the slice of life kind of animes. I don't know. It was never. I never got into those, but Yeah, this definitely, there's things out there for different tastes, I would say. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Oh yeah, one of the ones that I've been looking forward to, like I know, like there's a new Bleach out. This is a Bleach: The Thousand Year Blood War. That is like the new Bleach that came out like last year. Oh my gosh, that's like tied as like my top favorite anime. That is so good. That is, I mean, the fights are like so flashy, and I'm all about the flashy fights. Yes, it is. It is very good. Yeah, yeah. Bakemonogatari starts like slice of life, but it isn't. Oh, is it really? Slice of life adds years to your life. I bet. I bet. Yeah, do you get distracted by girls sometimes, making you steer away from your goal? Definitely not, Red Zone. I would say not. Yeah, we are on the Sigma grind set. Yeah, we like to do the little mobile things. Yes. Bro, I I don't swing that way. Yeah, yeah. Yeah, I like the shonens though. I don't know. Maybe I'd get into a slice of life anime at one point. I have a friend who watches a bunch of that though. Like that's like exclusively what he watches. Yeah, yeah, yeah. I like the big flashy fights, bros and alpha. Yeah, dude. We're the top G's around here. Yeah, we've got a prime membership to Hustlers University. Now it's mostly because I just like making apps more than that kind of stuff. It outweighs the desire by quite a bit. Yes, yes, we like to do the mobile things. Yeah, but we're definitely top G's in here. I mean, we like to do the Andrew Tate thing. I'm kidding, by the way. Yeah. I don't actually have a Hustlers University subscription. Yeah. Big a meme. We like to do the memeing though. Yeah. Yeah, I am a huge fan of like shonens. Also like the reincarnation anime. So what are they called? Isekai. The isekai ones. Like where it's like dude like loser dude who like has no prospects, gets hit by a bus, and then he gets reincarnated as like a level 100 wizard. I like those animes. Those are pretty interesting. Like Overlord, I think was like that. Yeah, Konosuba too. Yeah, I saw that one. Like Mushoku Tensei too. Yeah, these kind of slice of life ones. I like those. Yeah. In another world with my smartphone, bruh. Yeah, pretty much. Oh, yeah. Oh, is that an anime? Oh, I haven't heard of that one. Wait, is that an isekai? In another world wait. Because I love isekais. Wait a minute, I gotta check this. Wait a second. Oh, after being struck and killed by lightning, a young boy gets a second chance at life in a fantasy world while he explores with his new companions, magical twin sisters, while carrying a phone linked to his original dimension. Oh, so it's like, so you can like still talk to the people in your original world. I don't think that most animes aren't like, or most isekais aren't like that. That sounds interesting. Oh, not really? Oh. But he's dead though. Oh, so he can like, I guess like, well, like search the internet, but he can't really like talk to people or something. Huh. Interesting, but yeah, I'm a big fan of the isekais though. Yeah, yeah. I wonder how that works when you've got no satellites. How do you do the internet? Oh, but for his new dimension. Oh, interesting. Interesting. Would you go back to being 10-year-old with the same knowledge if you could? That would be pretty broken, Red Zone. Yeah, I probably would though. I probably would, because then you would like skip so many grades and have a lot more time to build the things. Yeah. Plus, imagine if if you go back in time and you're like 10, wouldn't you just like buy all the stocks? You just like, yeah, you become mega rich. You put all your greenbacks into Bitcoin. Yeah, that would be pretty busted. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Oh, like that's part of his magic? Oh, I see dropship hat. Interesting. Interesting. Yeah, dude, you just buy all the bitcoins. That's like the first thing you do. It's like I'm 10 years old. I've got my lemonade stand. I've made $40 off of lemonade. I'm gonna put it straight into a crypto wallet and buy a buttload of bitcoins. All my greenbacks into Netflix. Yeah, pretty much. Just invest in all the small companies. Yeah, put it all into Uber or like Apple or whatever. Yeah. Into Mr. Zuckerberg's Facebook. Yeah, AOL. Yeah. That's what I would do if I were 10, like right now, or if I like transported back into time. I would just buy all the bitcoins and the stocks. Yeah. When I was small when I was 10. Yeah. It'd be like that. Yeah, your parents might think you're crazy. It's like, oh, why does he want to spend all of his money on this interweb coin? But you know better. Yeah, I think that would be hard to convince though. And how would you even like? I think back then, like it was very hard to get like crypto wallets. Like they didn't have Coinbase, I bet. So it's probably you got to set up your own rig and do the mining and the things. Yeah, I'd imagine it'd be much harder to like at least even acquire like a Bitcoin. Yeah, it's not that hard. Oh, is it not? I guess I haven't really looked at the way to do it. I'm gonna go see y'all next week. Oh, yeah, thanks for stopping by, Kato. I hope you enjoyed. Yeah, hopefully we have the Yippee app out soon. Yeah, I'll put announcements on the Twitters for it. But yeah, nice to see ya. Yeah, it's not that hard as an early adopter. Oh, interesting. I don't really know the process. Yeah, I had some friends who got into it early. Like they literally had their own rigs in their apartments and such. Yeah, they were pretty big brained. Yeah. Like nowadays you just go after newer coins. Oh, I don't do that. I get the safe coins. Yeah, I have some Bitcoins and some Ethereum. Yeah, but not I don't like to speculate too much. Yeah, you put all your greenbacks into the silly coins and you might be in for a surprise. Yeah, or Monero Raven coin. I've not heard of these coins. Yeah. I don't know. I haven't looked too much into it to be comfortable with getting the non-popular coins. Yeah. You mine the new coins? Oh, you mine them. I guess you can mine them, right? Like if you don't buy it and you mine it, then that's safer. Yeah, and put them in a bit. I guess so. I guess that has its benefits too. Yeah, I can see that. Like I would be open to that. Like mining the meme coins. Yeah. Yeah. You don't want to compete in a mine for Ethereum or a bit nowadays? Yeah, I'd imagine. It's not that efficient. Yeah. Yeah, at least with the smaller coins, then there's a potential that, it goes up a lot, and then, you're not paying more for electricity to mine it than what it's worth. Yeah, that way you're making the monies. Indeed. Yeah. Because you keep competing against servers. Oh yeah, true. People buying out servers and doing the mining of the coins. Yes, that would be. Yeah, you can't really compete with that when you've got your one laptop or whatever mining stuff. Yeah, I can see that. Yeah. I'd imagine. So. Yeah, because the smaller ones have less. Less competition. Indeed. Yeah. Oh, I'm gonna see if I can. Yeah, let me. I'm gonna check something. Because I think our structures. Yeah, I'm gonna delve into there's a bug I noticed. Yeah. When there is a stable one right now, except for the dark web stigma, I've not heard of these things. Yeah, I haven't looked too much into it. Mostly for me, it's just like you stick it in and don't think about it. I haven't researched it all that much. Yeah, but I know there's probably some potential in the smaller ones though. Yeah, yeah. I'm gonna see if I can get these little structures to spawn a bit further apart though. Cause yeah, remember that was like the little green Yippee. He spawned inside one of the bridges. Yeah, we'll spread them apart ever so slightly, ever so slight amount, and we shall see. We shall see. Oh yeah, also I fixed a bug that showed up last stream where there was like weird like grass on top of grass. We fixed that. We fixed the things. Yeah, yeah. But yeah, I haven't looked too much into like crypto all that much. Yeah, I look at the popular coins and I'm like, okay, that's good enough. Yeah, we might put some shillings into those, but yeah, I don't know. Maybe we're missing out on some opportunities. Yeah, yeah. It's a private coin that functions like cash on the internet. Oh, interesting. I don't know. I kind of think of Bitcoin kind of like that. I think you can like buy things with it now. Yeah, they have like these machines in the Walmarts where you can turn your greenbacks into the digital coins. I'm aware of those. Yeah, yeah. Perhaps it is similar in that aspect. Yeah. Let's see. I forget where my code is for the structure stuff. I think down here somewhere. Yeah, here. Let's increase this offset. Instead of divided by 2, let's do 1.5. Yeah, I'm gonna do that. Yeah, yeah. What Bitcoin is a public ledger? Oh yeah, I have my other musics. I'm gonna play this one. Oh, it's a public ledger? Oh, so it's like private. Oh, so it's not like it doesn't like go up and down as much, I bet. That's pretty good. Yeah. Yeah, Bitcoin is quite volatile. It is doing the bounce up and down thing. Yes, that is kind of, yeah. You gotta be careful about buying the things that go up and down a lot, lest you lose all of your monies. Indeed. Yeah. I think we're close to fixing. Oh yeah. See this one here. I think we fixed it. Yeah, because normally this guy would spawn like inside this dirt when the structures are really close to each other like this. Yeah, I think we fixed it. Yeah. That is good. That is quite good. Yeah, so now we've got there's no chance of enemies spawning inside dirt. Yeah, that was a problem for a while actually. I remember, yeah, back when I started this enemy spawning, they used to always spawn inside the dirt. But now you see, like he just kind of like bumped out, which is fine. Yeah. Yeah, we're doing some good stuff though. Yeah. I'm quite satisfied. Yeah. I had a lot of friends who got into like crypto early. I don't know. I wish I was sage-brained like that. I had some friends who literally had like Bitcoin miners back in like 2016 and such. Yeah, they must be feeling really good now. Yeah. But it was quite, I don't know, I felt like it was a lot more speculative back then, even then. But yeah, now the things are to the moon, so to speak. So, yes. I feel like there's still room for it though. Not to say that I would promote people buy the things lest the bad things happen. But I would think about it. Yeah. It's good to diversify. Yes, that is a good thing. Yeah. I've become a financial advisor. Yeah, don't listen to me though. I'm a noob. Yeah, let us see. I think, yeah, it looks like our game is playing out well. We're doing good. Like we nerfed the enemies and we gave ourselves more health. So like now we're like winning. Like, are you winning, son? We're doing quite good. Like the game is much easier now. Yeah, we are definitely winning. That is good. Yeah. I think we're doing quite well. We are doing quite fantastic, I might even add. Yes. Although there's one thing I've been neglecting. I don't know if I'll fix it this stream. I mean, technically, I feel like this is like the last Yippee stream before I attempt to publish it to the App Store. But yeah, there's the shop. Like, making this look nice. This is kind of meticulous though. It's a bit... It gets in the weed of the numbers and things. Yeah, I don't know. We might take a crack at it though. We might take a little bit of a crack at it, because yeah, right now the shop on iPad is very... You see that? The VAT is like going off the box there. Yeah, we need to scale the things. Like even the font size is too small. Yeah. Even like the Ruby label on the top right here, it's very small. But yeah, I have a feeling, like I think we're good in the game part. But as far as like the shop goes, this is literally like the last thing, pretty much. Making it look nice on iPad. Yeah. Also, I think my iPad simulator just froze. Uh-oh. That's no good. That is unpog. Let's restart it. Yeah. Okay, now we're good. Now we are A-okay. Yeah, so I don't know. Maybe we can take a crack at making this look nice. A little bit. Yeah. I think so. But at least the problem I have is I have to run the simulator every time. Because I think, yeah, my preview doesn't work for some reason. Yeah, like it'll error out. So we'll be doing a lot of like the opening and closing of the simulator. Actually, I have an idea. Maybe I can just keep the simulator open and code on the side like it's my preview. Wait, that might be good. Let me try this. Yeah, perhaps that's a better idea. Yeah. Let's see. String literal, so you can find literal strings. Yeah, dude. Yeah. We gotta get... Yeah, we gotta get the little strings looking nice too. Little font sizes and such. Yeah. But here's what I'm thinking. I can see our preview is like erroring out there. Yeah, what if I just like keep my simulator open like all the time, and then I code like this? I don't know, because I'm gonna be coding on the left now. This is my SwiftUI file, so we're gonna be changing some of this. But what if I just keep the simulator like above me like that? Yeah, like, oh, it's above me over there. Yeah, what if we do such things? Yeah, like let's say for example we need to increase the font size of the little Ruby text in the top right. So let's do that on iPad. So I think we've gotten his iPad variable here. Yeah, we do. So we'll make this a bit bigger. Let's try this, and then now we can just like rerun it like this. Like it's like my preview. Yeah, except I have to like open it. Yeah, I don't know. Is that big enough? Like the 58 there. Is that font size? Is it big enough? I don't know. I think that makes sense for like the little Ruby. We made it a little bigger. Yeah, I think it's all right. I think it's okay. I think we are in good shape. Yeah, well, what's next? What's next to work on? I think maybe we can make the little Yippee in this shop a bit bigger. Like, look at Mr. Yippee there. He's quite small compared to the ginormous iPad he's found himself in. Yeah, let's make him a little larger. Yeah, I think so. So that's in one of our tabs here. One of our shop tabs. We've got, what's this? The skins view. We have I don't know. Is my preview also not working in here? Let me test. Maybe it's also not. Oh, I don't think so. Yeah, it's because like my local DB on the preview is outdated. Yeah, that's kind of gross to fix. Whatever. We'll keep our simulator then. Yeah, well, let's see. So we want to make our little Yippee slightly bigger. Well, maybe a lot bigger actually. Yeah. So let's do that. Let's do these things. I guess maybe I don't know. Maybe I can just like. Because I don't want to cover the code either. We'll do something like this. It's kind of scuffed, but I think it'll work. Yeah, let's see. So where's our little Yippee here? It's here. It's animated image. Yes, so on iPad we'll want to make the height and the width larger. So let's see. We've got is iPad. Let's make the width larger on iPad. So we'll make this number smaller. And then the height as well. Oh wait, we've got an error here. Cannot find is iPad. Uh-oh. That's no good. We need an is iPad variable. Let's pass it down. I think we have it in our shop. Yeah, we do. So we can just pass it down to shop tab view. And from there, we should have access to it. Yeah, we're adding variables to our views. Oh my. Yeah, also I'm gonna do another water thing where we take a little water break. Okay, hopefully the old vocal cords are doing good. Yeah, let's see. So, yeah, we need this is iPad to pass down. Yeah, because basically we want our the whole shop to look nice on iPad. I guess that's why we never pass this down, because I haven't worked on this yet. Yeah, so let's do this. Let's go into here. Oh wait, we have this actually. Oh wait, we can just do this then. That's better. That is better. Yeah. And then we'll pass this down to skins view. Right on over here. Here we go. Yes, we're doing a little bit of the iPad thing, as we like to do. That is always the last thing I do in my apps. Make the things look good on the good old iPad devices. Yes, leave no iPad user behind. Yeah, I think this is good. And then we'll want to copy this for this. Okay, yeah, now I think we should be good. Let's try and see if the little Yippee's bigger in the little skins view. Oh no, wait, we have some errors. Oh, for preview. Yeah, so we'll need to do this. Constant false. Same for this. Is iPad. Yeah, even though our preview doesn't work. Bro, that is big meme. We're fixing our code for the previews even though the preview doesn't work. So be it. Oh yeah, skins view extra arguments. Oh no, I think that should be good. Yeah, we'll need this though. We'll need the good things. As we like to have them. Yeah. I think this is looking dandy though. Yeah, hopefully a lot of the red things go away now. Yeah, I think let's try running it again. Oh wait, this doesn't need to be constant. Yeah, that was extra. That is for a different type of variable. Yeah. Okay, I think we're good. Wait, what is this? We have. Oh, my parentheses are misplaced. Okay, now I think we should be good. Oh, never mind. I lied. Okay, extra. This third time's a charm. We're mega good now. Okay, let's see if Mr. Yippie's bigger. Oh yeah, he's bigger. A little too big. A little bit gymongous Yippee there. Yeah, or actually, is that good for iPad? Like, we can make the other things bigger too. And then it won't look so out of place. Oh yeah, Mr. Small Yippee though, he's kind of small. Mr. Cosmic Yippee from outer space. He's kind of dwarfed by his colorful cousins. Yeah, let's make those Mr. Cosmic Yippee small as well. Yeah, or big rather. Yeah, let's do that. Yeah. Yeah. Oh, what are the symbols? What do they mean? Yeah, let's see. Let's make Mr. Cosmic Yippee a little larger as we do. Yeah. Yeah. I don't know, actually. So like one thing I noticed, like what I do to make things look nice on iPad is I basically make this variable called isIPad, and I run this code here, or rather, actually it's over in here. Yeah, I run this code. I say like, if the device is iPad, then this is iPad, and I spam this like all over my project. I don't know if that's a good practice. Yeah. Not me trying to test for random ejections. Oh, keeping us safe, Dropshot Pat. That's good. Yeah, we don't want to be unsafe. Yeah, we like the cyber safety around here. Yeah, safe from malicious attackers. That is good. That is very good. Yeah. I don't know if this is best practice to have this variable and kind of spam it everywhere. I feel like that's not how we're supposed to do things, but that's how I do it. I think it's okay. Yeah, I think it's all right. Yeah. Let's see. Oh wait, this is my intro song. Wait, it's like I'm starting stream again. Oh wait, I'm gonna skip it. It's kind of awkward. I like the song after this one though in the playlist. Yeah, we don't want to. Yeah, but this one's a nicer one. Yeah. Let's make Mr. Cosmic Yippee a little bit larger. We'll use this one. Yeah, and we'll just copy this on over. We'll copy him on over to wherever we've got it. I think, where have we got this? Where do we have it? Mr. Cosmic Yippee, coming on up. Oh, it's here. Wait, it was right below. Oh, cool. Yeah, now Mr. Cosmic Yippee should be big. Cool. Yeah, I was looking for my stuff. Yeah, so no, you're good, Dropshot Pat. Yeah, it's good to be doing the testing thing. Yeah, it makes the brain bigger when you do the coding and the testing. Yeah. Yeah, we've got big kaiju Yippee though. Yeah, look how big he is compared to like all the buttons and the text. Oh my gosh, that's a mega Yippee there. Yeah, we gotta make the other things bigger though, lest we have kaiju Yippee. Oh, you know what? That might be a cool skin to add though. Yeah, you see, I only have the Cosmic Yippee skin here, but I was planning on adding other skins as like updates to the app. Maybe we can do Godzilla Yippee, or would Godzilla companies copyright me for that? Maybe they would. Oh, maybe we can say Kaiju Yippee, or like Big Lizard Yippee, but he's not Godzilla. Oh, thank you for the follow, Skeg. Yeah, welcome. Yeah, I hope you enjoy the silly Yippee things, the silly Yippee apps we make. Only you can see that if I follow / with the special character. I also don't get an error. Oh, interesting, huh? I've not heard about that. That seems quite interesting. Yeah. Yeah, this one thing's weird though. Look how Mr. Yippee is kind of off-centered from the button. You see that? He's not at the center of the screen anymore. What's going on there? We gotta move Mr. Yippee to the center of the box. Yeah, he's kind of looking a little lopsided there. How can we do that? How can we do that? This is a V stack. No, ideally he should be in the center already. So I get an unrecognized command error. Oh, interesting. Interesting. Yeah, I'm not familiar with special commands. Yeah, we'll still familiarize ourselves in that department. Yes, indeed. Now, one thing we can work on though is make the other things bigger. At least the text above the Yippie's head. That should definitely be bigger. Like Cosmic Yippie's kind of small there, isn't it? I think so. Yeah, let's make that a bit larger. Yes, here we go. So we'll increase the font size to like, I don't know, 60. We'll make it a little larger. If you saw that / misspelled. Oh, wait, I don't see it. I'm not. Maybe I don't have something configured. Yeah. Oh yeah, this text looks good. Yeah, I made it a little bigger. Looks a bit nicer. Yeah. Yeah. Although I also want these to be bigger. These little circle things. Yeah. Let's make the circle things a bit larger. Yeah, those are for like the colors though. Yeah. So where are those? Where did I make those? Like here? Oh, these are buttons. Oh, color skin select view. Here we go. Yeah. Oh yeah, so we'll probably want to pass in his iPad in here as well. Our little iPad variable that we like to throw around our code. Yeah, we'll wanna put him there as well. In our little color select view that we have here. Yes. Let's try this. Let's try this. Yeah, so this code here. We can do this for iPad and give it a smaller value. How about that? That should look better. I think that'll look better. Yeah, let's see. Oh, we've made it look quite a bit larger. A little bit. Oh, wait. Oh, it looks kind of weird. Oh, I thought that was gonna... Wait a minute. Wait, what did I increase? Oh, I increased the fill. And I increased like the little outline. Oh yeah, that looks a bit odd. Yeah, that's not exactly the effect I was going for. Yeah, that's a I don't know about that one. That looks a bit I don't know. That looks uncharacteristic of the thing that we're looking to get. Yeah, that's a bit funky looking. Yeah. I don't know, let's see what does this look like? The outline might be too small. But I think the circles will be bigger. Oh yeah, you see that? You don't see the outline. Yeah, so I think the circles are the right size, but now the fill is so small you don't see it. Yeah, let's make this fill thing bigger. Yeah. So I think I think it should be a smaller value than what we have above. So instead of 10, we'll make this like 8 or something. Yeah. And then I feel like there needs to be more spacing between those circles. I think so. So here's what I'll say. Is iPad. And we'll put 30 spacing. Yes, I think this is a good strategy. Let's see. Let's see. Oh, okay. Maybe not enough spacing. Also, I feel like this is too thick. Like the outline around the circles. Yeah. Let's add some more spacing and then make the thing less thick. Yeah, that's extra thick. As that one demon dude says. Yeah, it's extra thick. Yes, okay, I think Yeah, your tooth, bro. Oh wait, yeah, this is increasing like the bro. Yeah, this is increasing our vertical spacing. I'm fine with this actually. But our horizontal ones, what's not good? Let's see. I forgot. How do we increase like the horizontal spacing between these circles? How am I even making these columns? Wait, what am I doing actually? What am I doing? Oh, is this H stack maybe? I don't think so. I think, oh yeah, because the for each makes it so that it's like 2 columns. This is what makes it 2 columns. So how do I add spacing between those columns on like the horizontal axis? I have an idea. I can do padding. Like, I can say dot horizontal. If it's iPad, I do 20, otherwise I do 0. I guess I just didn't have any padding. But I think this could be good. Let's see. Let us see. I don't think that really changed. I think it did change a little bit, actually. Like a little bit. Let's try some more. We do a little bit of extra number playing around. Is it changing? I feel like it's marginally changing. Wait, let's do like 100 padding. I don't know if it's actually doing anything. Let me see. Yeah, no, I don't think that's changing anything. So it's not this padding then. Or maybe because I did horizontal. What if I just did like padding, like trailing, like on one side? What if I did that? Perhaps that's better. Perhaps that is a little better. Let's see. I know. Oh, you see, it like pushed it to the left. That's what it's doing. It's pushing the entire thing to the left. Yeah, we gotta like not do that. Yeah. So what's a better strategy? I guess basically for each makes the circle. Oh wait, maybe this. Oh wait, I think this is the way. Yeah, this is the way, as Mr. Ugandan Knuckles would say. I think that is the way. Let's see. Let us see. Oh no, wait. I might be memeing. I think I'm memeing. Wait, let me try another thing. We'll try different things until we get something that looks good. So these circles don't touch. Yeah. Okay. I think I'm memeing again. Wait. Okay. Last resort. Here's my last resort. I asked ChatGPT how to make the space between the circles larger. Yes, we'll pull out old reliable ChatGPT because that is my last resort. Yeah, because I don't know. I'll be honest, I'm still new to SwiftUI, so oh, my bad. We do a little scuff a little bit, but oh yeah, here's the thing, and then we'll hide this. Yes, so here is Mr. ChatGPT, and we will ask it how to make the thing between the things good. Yes. How do I add horizontal spacing between circles? Yes, because yes, this is good. This is good. Horizontal padding. Wait, that's what I did though. Oh, alignment. Oh. Maybe that's what I'm missing. Oh, and you put it before the tap gesture. Okay. Okay. See, it's like, oh, wait, you can have spacing on this. Wait a minute. Okay, I'm learning some things. Wait, this is why we do the ChatGPT thing. We might learn the good things. Okay. Okay, so you can put padding here. I didn't know you could do that. And then we can put padding before this tap gesture, maybe. Perhaps horizontal padding to each thing. Okay. Yeah, let's try this. Let's try this. Let's do that. We'll do what Mr. John ChatGPT does, and we'll see if that is a good strategy. Yeah, because sometimes it might help. Sometimes it kind of does a big meme, but sometimes there's some insights that it gives us. Like, for example, possibly, yes, there is a spacing argument on this. Yeah, here's what I'll do then. If it's iPad, I'll give it 20 spacing. Otherwise, I'll give it 0, because it looks fine on iPhone, actually. It's good. Like, this is already done on iPhone. But, yeah, let's try this first. Oh no, wait, we have... Oh, wait, we can't use his iPad. Oh no, that's no good. We'll have to do... Okay, I have a better idea. We can do the UI device.current.user interface idiom equals pad. That is if it's an iPad or not. We'll just do that manually. Okay, now let's try. Now let's see. So, oh yeah, you see that? There's space, like they're not touching anymore. Oh, this is good. Wait, this is what we want. Wait, Mr. John ChatGPT helped us. We learned something. Wait a minute. Oh my gosh, does that mean AI is gonna take all of our jobs? The programming's irrelevant? I don't think so. We won't lose our marbles yet. But this is good. This is pretty good. Yeah. I think this is looking alright, besides like the button being too close to Mr. Yippee. And then Yippee probably needs to go a bit left a little bit. But the size of the things is good. Like, yeah, just the position of a couple things. Yeah, I think that's okay. Unless we want to make the text of original Yippee like even higher and make the Yippee bigger. But I don't know, I think that would be too much. Yeah, let's just work on making the button not so close to Mr. Yippee there. Yeah. Let's give some more padding. Yeah, actually that should be what this is. So is iPad. And let's do this. How about that? Let's see if it's an easy fix to move the button away a little bit. Cool. Yeah. That's good. All right. I'm happy with that. And then how do we get Mr. Yippee to go to the left? That's the hard thing. Because SwiftUI doesn't allow moving things left and right very easily. Yeah, so this actually might be more nuanced than... I mean, it looks easy, but it might not be. Yeah, because we got this VStack. This has the text, and it has the little moving image. And it's all in this VStack. And then, yeah, how do we want to move the thing? How do we want to move it left? Here, yeah, we don't have any code to like push it. We could give the whole thing like negative padding to move it left, or more padding on the right. Maybe, because the text looks fine. Yeah, the text looks centered. It's just the image is not centered. Oh, wait, I think I know why that is. Oh, I've been neglecting something. Wait, let me try this. The frame around the thing is different than the size of the texture. Yeah, I have like two... Yeah, I gotta like copy this here, pretty much. Oh, let's see if my theory is correct. And Mr. Yippee centers himself. Him or her Yippee self. Okay, it's centered now, but it kind of pushed everything like really far away. But it's centered now. So we fixed one bug and we added another. But at least we know why the second bug was added. So that's better than nothing. Yeah, let's see then. I think we just need to make the thing less tall. Like, I think the width was fine. Maybe we can... Maybe we can keep the same height for the frame as iPhone. I have a feeling that might be better. Like this. So like the texture is bigger than the frame, but only for the height. Yeah, we're doing some weird things. Okay, yeah, cool. This looks good. Wait, this looks good. I'm happy with this. Yeah, I think so. Or is the button like too far away? It might be. It might be. I don't know. Sometimes I get really into the weeds. I'm like, is the thing too far away? We gotta be very meticulous about this. Yeah. I kind of want to move the button closer to Mr. Yippee's legs there. Maybe, a little bit. I feel like there's a lot of space in between. Yeah, what we can do then, I think we just need to make this value smaller. Like, or rather, this division bigger. So, yeah, I'm gonna do this. I'm gonna add a 0.3 there. We'll do a little micro adjustments. And we'll rerun and we'll see. Yeah, this looks good actually. Yeah, I think that's good. I think that's good. Yeah, I'm satisfied with this tab in the shop now on iPad. Yeah, this is pretty good. This is good. Oh no, wait, but look at this pop-up though. Yeah, you see that? The text is like microscopic. Yeah, that's actually not good. Let's make that text not so tiny. Yeah, let's make the little pop-up text a bit bigger. Yes, here's our pop-up code. Yeah, so yeah, this should be a pretty easy fix actually. We'll just increase the font size for all the things. Yeah, that should be good. So like this thing, this one, this Ruby needs to be larger on iPad. So we'll do that as well. Because you've got a little Ruby inside the little pop-up. Yeah. This is what I'm thinking. These are the airwave vibes that I'm emitting and I'm sensing and I'm feeling. Yes, I think this is good. Let's check our little pop-up then. Oh, wait, that didn't really change all that much. Wait a minute. Oh, I think I know why. I think we have some font scale, maybe? Oh, no, wait. Wait a minute. Wait a second. Wait, I don't know why. Uh-oh. Oh, that's no good. Wait, I think maybe it's because of... yeah, the font size should be bigger. Is that bigger than what we had before? Do we need to make it like gymongous? Oh, I have a feeling maybe it's like the container view for this is constraining the text size. Maybe. Oh, this is weird. Wait, let's add a huge number here and see if that like changes anything. Like 256 here, perhaps. Perhaps if we do the large changes, let us investigate. Yeah, that's not affecting it. Ooh, this is one of those nefarious bugs. Oh dear. It's like when you think it's an easy change and it's not working as expected. Oh, that's quite... yeah, it's quite... I might even say dastardly. It's quite nefarious. Let's see. What could be causing this? This confirm purchase pop-up. I feel like... let's find it in our project. Where is it being called? In our skins view, this is where it is. Content size. Maybe I can make this bigger on iPad, this content size. Maybe like slightly wider, maybe? Or we can make it smaller, I guess, to fit the text size, but that's not really what I want to do. I do want to make it shorter. It looks pretty blocky, doesn't it? It's like a square. Yeah, we want it to look more like a rectangle, so it's not so funky looking. Yeah, let's try that. So let's see. Yeah, that's more rectangular. That's nicer. However, yeah, if I had an iPad in front of me, I would need a magnifying glass to read this text. Yeah. Yeah, we need to make the text bigger. Yeah, I don't know. Not sure what's causing it to be small, but we'll get to the bottom of it. Let's see. So here's our pop-up. That's fine. Let's investigate. So this is where we're doing our font size stuff. Is it this spacer stuff maybe? I don't think so. There's also weird interactions with this. Like I don't really do this like ever. Like adding text objects to each other. That could be. Oh wait, I think I know why this is happening. I know why this is happening. Yes, I know exactly why. I think I figured it out. Yeah, I think so. I'm not putting this here. Oh no, wait, that should be... Oh, now we've got the wacky things. We've got the wacky things going on. Yeah, I love being Hackermans. Yeah, me too, Dropshot Pat. We like to do the Hackerman code thing. Yes, we're like, I'm in the system. Yeah, even if I'm not that good. Yeah, it's true though. We like to do the things. Yeah, and then you practice the Hackerman things and you get better. Yeah. We like to do the Hackerman things. It's pretty good. It's pretty good. Yeah. What's going on here? There's some weird stuff afoot. There's some weird, interesting things happening. Yeah, even the ruby's not changing size. That is really weird. Like, what if we make this ruby like... I don't know, we put like an 8 here. Yeah, what if we did that? This is very odd. Man, I cracked my first box just a bit ago on HTV. Sheesh. Wait, what is that? Oh, sorry for mic thing. Wait, what is that? HTV. Oh, is that like... Oh, I think... Oh, yeah, you talked about that. That was like the virtual box thing for like the catching the flaws. Oh. Hey, that's cool though. Yeah, congrats. Yeah, I bet you I wouldn't be able to do that. I don't know anything about cybersecurity. That's pretty cool though. Nice. Yeah, it always starts with the little wins first, and then you work your way up. Yeah, that's pretty cool. Nice. Very nice. Yeah. I think though, yeah, like our little ruby isn't even like increasing in size. Why is that? Like our things are not even changing size. This is most interesting, most intriguing. Yeah. Let's see. Let us see. Yeah. I'm interested too, Red Zone. Yeah, it would be interesting to see how to do the cybersecurity thing. That would be interesting. Yeah. Let's investigate. Is it this frame, perhaps? I'm gonna double this. Yeah, I'll do a little bit of doubling action, and we'll see. We'll make the box bigger. Okay, box is bigger. It didn't change the font size. That didn't work. Yeah. Let's do a bit more investigations. Yeah. For a drop shop, I don't even know what those words mean. Oh my goodness. Bro, I'm mega noob when it comes to like networking and cybersecurity. Yeah, this is a foreign language to me. Yeah, it does not show up at all. Well, nearly next to nothing in the mobile world. Yeah. Although maybe I should think about it a little. Yeah, I don't know these words. Yeah. Need to learn the cybersecurity thing. Yeah, yeah. Your first little foot in the door. Oh, nice. Yeah, that's true. It always starts with the baby steps. Oh yeah, like first little foot in the door. Oh, like in the vulnerability. Oh, like literally, like. Oh, I see. So it's like you're just about to breach the system. Yeah. Okay. Neat. I am most confused by this. This is not even changing size at all. I have an idea. I'm gonna comment this out. This little pop-up. Yeah, our pop-up seems to no longer have the ability to increase in size. The text inside of it. A most interesting conundrum, to be sure. Let us do some further investigations. Let's think. Let us do some thinking emoticon. Let's see. I have an idea. I'm just gonna comment this entire thing out, and I'm gonna like do one text from scratch. Test text. And we'll do this. Yeah. Yeah, because I have a feeling it's like on the whole thing. Let's see. Let's investigate. Oh, I'm opening things. Okay, test text, and then what if we increase the font size? Like 128, we double this font size. Will that actually double? I'm doubtful. I'm doubtful. No, it doesn't. Wait, I have an idea. Maybe it's this text. Maybe my iPad isn't working. Maybe so. That could be what could be going on. Oh wait, yeah, that did work. Wait, so my iPad variable is like not working, or it's backwards or something. Wait, we investigated. Yeah. Oh, do you want to jump? Oh yeah. That's a good field to get in. Dropshop pad. That's very good. They pay the big bucks in the cyber security realm. Yeah. I would recommend it, even though I don't have any experience in it. I know it's under the domain of tech, which I'm always an advocate of. Yeah. Why is this variable backwards? Where am I passing this? Confirm purchase pop-up in skins view. Is iPad? Oh, I'm putting false here. Oh, what the heck? Oh wow, that's okay. That would do it. That would do it. Okay, this should be good now. This should be good. Yeah, what a silly bug. Well, we're good. Yeah, probably make it a bit smaller though. A little smaller. Yeah. I can't say it's poker. Yeah, with great power comes great responsibility. Yeah, once you become hacker man, there's no turning back. Yeah. You gotta have the white hat. You gotta be the white hat hacker. As opposed to what they have, like the black hats and the white hats. Yes. Indeed. Or red hat. Oh yeah, it's true. There's the multicolored hacker hats. Indeed. The ambiguous hacker. let's see. Yeah, this pop-up looks good now. Although I'm doubtful on iPad mini. I'm gonna bring up the mini. Yeah, because we've been testing a lot in the 12.9-inch Pro. I'm a full hat hacker. Yeah, you've got all intentions. You've got the good, the bad, and the in-between. That no hackers will know your next move. That's the best hacker. The unpredictable one. A fully preserved hat. Yes, quite likely. Let's see. I'm gonna bring up the tiny mini iPad, and we'll see. This talk of colored hats gets me thinking of golfing jackets. Yeah, we like the good-looking attire around here. Also, welcome Skeg. Yeah, we like to look quite dapper and fancy around here. Yeah. It's semi-psychotic, but I mean I have an alt on Twitch, so you and me both. I have many such alts. Yeah. Oh, we've got mini iPad here. Let's see. Is this too big? Oh wait, we can't. We don't have enough gems to test. We'll have to get some gems in the game. Like your gray hat, your black hat is just another username? Oh yeah, true. Your multi-identity. They'll never know your next move. That is the optimal way. Yeah, feed them false information. Indeed, that is the optimal approach. That is the best way. Yeah, we are mega Yippee gamer right now. We are collecting the rubies so we can test our pop-up. Mega Yippee gamer style. Let's try and get 20 rubies. Let's see if we can do that. Oh wait, Mr. Laser Yippies are quite strong. Yeah, that's a whole nother world though. That's cybersecurity world. Yeah. As long as you VPN to a offshore private server C2 framework to work on those black hat scripts, yeah, you gotta cover your tracks. Yeah, if you're gonna be doing the bad things, then do them when no one's looking. I don't condone bad things though. That's legally speaking. I must clarify. Don't do the bad hacking thing. But in a hypothetical scenario, yeah, make sure you cover your tracks. Otherwise, they'll just match your MAC address. Yeah, you don't want to leave any breadcrumbs around, so to speak. Oof, we're getting hit by a laser Yippee. Okay. Oh yeah, I made it. Oh wait, we can hit him right out of range. Oh wow, nice. I mean, I just goof around on HTV. Yeah, good answer. Yeah, we do the silly goof things in the hacker world. The big memes. But we wouldn't do anything, any suspicious things, would we? Hit them with bro. Mega sus action. Yeah. Let's get some rubies. I think we're close to pop-up testing realm. Yeah, I think there's a bug with our projectiles though. I noticed we're like hitting the dudes and they're taking like 2 hits. Yeah, see there? I think it just took like 2 hits there. Yeah, we've got some bugs still, or a bug, at least. But we're mostly good. Mostly good. And I think I know how to fix that bug. It shouldn't be too bad. Shouldn't be so bad. Yeah. Oof, laser to the face. Little Yippee laser to the face syndrome. Let's get these Yippies out of the way. Let's collect some more rubies. Bro, that is sus. Alright, let's get some I think we have like 11 rubies now. We need like 20 to test our pop-up. Yeah, I could have just changed it in the code to give myself 20 rubies, but I'm being really lazy about it. Yeah. Unfortunate. Wait, how many rubies do I have? I've got 12. Oh, we're still short a little bit. We're still short a slight amount. Let's get some. Let's get some more. Oh, we got one. We got one ruby. All right, this is good. This is very good. Let's collect some more. Let's be Mr. Yippee Ruby Collector. We'll collect our rubies in our Yippee pouch, and we'll bring them to the bazaar to purchase some doubloons, some interesting knickknacks with our rubies. Yes, this will be good. Yeah, I think Mr. Red One, he's like a 90% chance to drop a ruby. So let's see. Cool. And then this dude's like 15%. I don't know if we'll get a ruby out of him. Nah. Oh, we got 3 rubies now. We are extra ruby extraordinaire. Rubies are quite good. Mr. Yippie's doing quite well for himself. Nice. Very good. Yeah. This is the good way to test. Yeah, don't change the code to give yourself rubies. Just play the game. And we'll get rubies the old-fashioned way. Yeah. Oh yeah, also, one thing I was planning on adding to the app, like as an update, was reviving. Like you watch a little ad, and you can revive when you get a game over with like half health. Something like that. Because yeah, I noticed right now we're losing quite a lot of health, and there's no way to heal in this game. Yeah, but maybe we can do like a little cheeky video ad to revive, perhaps. We might be a little cheeky. Oh yeah, you've been using God mode right for testing. Yeah, that's right, Dropship. Yeah, we've been hacking for testing, but yeah, now we're actually giving ourselves some health to work with, and yeah, we gotta be extra careful and defeat these enemies, lest we lose all of our health bar. Oh yeah, also have to get a game over first before the ruby save. Yeah. Also, did I just see a ruby or a Yippee there? Maybe. Okay, cool. Now, yeah, we have enough rubies now. Now we can test our pop-up. Oh yeah, the text is a little too big on iPad mini. So we'll make the text a bit smaller then. Yeah, that was what I wanted to test, because we're on iPad mini now. We were, like before we were on the iPad Pro. The 12.9-inch Pro, 6th generation style. But now we're on the very small, very, very quaint iPad mini, and the text is too big. So we'll bring it down a little bit. We'll bring it down a couple notches. Yeah, because that's a bit large for little mini. So let's check again. So now we're decreasing our text size. So hopefully it's not too... Yeah, that's nice and good. That's pretty nice. Cool. But now let's see on our... Let's go back to the iPad. Oh, wait, I'm not showing. My bad. Yeah, this is what I was showing. This little pop-up thing. Yeah, the text is a little nicer now for the pop-up. Yeah, on the iPad mini, it looks a little nicer now. But yeah, let's check on iPad Pro now, so that we can be sure that it's not too small now. Because when you make things smaller for one device, it might be too small for another one. Yeah, so here we've got our Pro again. And let's run our Yippee game on the iPad Pro. Yeah. It's like I have my own iPad here. But I don't. It's a simulator. Yeah. I don't actually own an iPad, so we kind of gotta trust the simulator with... We're putting all our faith in the simulator so that it looks good. Yeah, but sometimes the simulator might not be accurate. Like when I run the iPhone 12 simulator, the game actually looks a little bit different than my actual iPhone 12. It's slightly different. Yeah, so you gotta take it with a grain of salt. But yeah, this looks good. This looks all right. I'm okay with this. Yeah. This looks a-okay in my books. Yeah, so let's next. What do we want to do next? How about we've got a couple other tabs in the shop. The gems one, I don't know if I can fix this. Like, at least right now. I tried fixing this before in another stream, but for some reason these buttons don't like to resize. Like, I don't know how to resize these buttons. I'm using like some separate class, but it's very awkward. Yeah, maybe we can work on this one. Make this look nice. Yeah. I'm thinking so. Yeah, let's try and make this little weapons tab look good. On the iPad. Yeah. So, in our code, we'll go to our little weapons. We call it upgrades view, but it actually should be like called weapons view. Because that's really what it is. It's like weapons. Yeah, that's really what it is. So we'll need to pass in our lucky is iPad variable once more. Because we like is iPad. We like throwing it around. Yeah, so let's do that. And we'll make this false for the preview. Although our preview doesn't work. The infinite spinner symbol of doom we've got. But that's why we use our simulator. Because that does work, and that's pretty good. Yeah. So, what's next? What's next on the horizon? How about, oh yeah, we need to pass this into our weapon, our upgrades view, which is from our shop tab view. Yes, so it would error out here, but we can pass in is iPad. There we go. Now we're good. Now we're doing pretty good. Yeah, also I'm gonna get some more waters a little bit. Alright, we're back from Water World. That is good. Alright. Yeah. So now in our upgrades view, let's see, what have we got to work with? We need to make the little green box bigger. Let's do that first, actually. The little green background there, I'll make a little bigger. Yeah, so I think actually that might be... We've got separate views here. Weapon column view, it might be. I think so. Where have we got this color going on? This little color action. Wherever we've got references to green, I think. Let's investigate. Let's do a little bit of investigations. Select weapon view, perhaps. Perhaps it's in this. Oh yeah, I think so. Oh yeah, we've got this background stuff. Yeah, so we want to pass in our is iPad in here too. Yes, that'll be good. Yeah. So, let us... where have we got this? Our little... Yes, here we go. We'll pass you in here. Is iPad. I guess we'll need this in here too. We'll throw the variable around wherever we see fit. And that'll be good. Alright. Yeah. Is iPad. Cool. This is looking dandy. Alright. Oh, yeah. So let's make the little green thing look nice and good. I think that's probably gonna be over here. So in our select weapon view, we have this as the background. It basically takes whatever is in here, applies a colored background. So the color of this, the size of the green is whatever the size of this is. So yeah, I guess we gotta like I guess, yeah, change references to where the thing is. Yeah, the thing, we'll do the thing. So, that should be here, I think. Select a weapon view. Oh, we don't have a frame on this, actually. Oh, okay. Yeah, so we'll probably want to make this bigger, I think. Maybe so. Yeah, how are we determining the size of this, actually? I think it's with like this and this. Yeah. So I have an idea. Perhaps we can make this bigger, but what is this select weapon view size, actually? Select weapon view. Let us investigate. We shall see. What is this size coming from? Because I think I have it coming from some list somewhere. Most likely. Yeah. Most likely indeed such things. Let us see. Oh, we have this. I'm not sure. Yeah, we'll have to do a little bit more investigating. Yeah. Also, I gotta drink some more water. Ugh. Alright, we're back from Waterworld. Alright, yeah, let's see if we can at least make that little green thing bigger. I think we should be alright. Yeah, it has to do with this select weapons view, whatever size we're passing into this, which is coming from up here. Where is that coming from, though? Weapon column view, where are we making this? Where is our weapon column view? Let's see, weapon column view. It's here. So where's the size? It's here. Okay. I see. So we've got different sizes for different types of weapons, I guess. Yeah, what if I make this less wide? I'm interested to see what happens. Or more wide. Yeah, well, let's make it more wide, actually. Yeah, I'm intrigued. Yeah, because I wrote this code some time back. So it might do some interesting things that I'm not aware of. Yes. What was my state of mind when writing the code? Yeah. Oh, wait, yeah, we made the green thing bigger. Oh, nice. Wait, that was easy. Wait, that's good. That's good. Okay, we debugged our code. we debugged our own code. Yeah, this is good. I like that size. But I also want the melee and the range text to be bigger. It's a bit small. It's a little small, admittedly. So let's make that text a little bigger. Yeah, this one, I think. Weapon type, right? Yeah, we can put a little is iPad size 60 text. Something of that variety. And we'll see if that is conducive to a good outcome. Yes, that is better. Cool. Neat. Although that's a bit that bat is still bigger than our thing. How do we decrease the size of the image inside the texture? I think that's in our select weapon view. Yeah, do we have like a switch statement for the size of these? I don't think so, right? Image, resizable. Okay. Height, Frame for this. What is this frame width? Is this get weapon image width? Yeah, where are we? What is this? Oh, we do have a switch statement. Okay. Oh, wait. Okay, so I know how to fix this then. We'll just add our is iPad variable to this. And we'll pass it. And we'll change it. Based on the things. I think I remember writing that now. Yeah, that was a better way to do it. Yeah, so for the bats, we don't want it to be so wide. Yeah, we want it to be much smaller. So we can do this now. Is iPad make the thing smaller? Like much smaller, like that. That should be a bit better. All right. So Mr. Bat. Oh, he's still kind of big though. He's still kind of a chunky boy. He's still overlapping our stuff. Let's I don't know. Let's do this divided by 32 then. And we'll see. Is that better? Is that better? Let's see. Nah, it's still pretty big though. That's interesting. Oh, also thank you for the follow, Natsushi. Yeah, SwiftUI, let's go. That's right, Natsushi. Yeah, we do the SwiftUI stuff around here. We're kind of we're the iOS shop. But yeah, we're doing SwiftUI things. Yeah. That is the good stuff. We like to do SwiftUI. Although right now our preview is kind of broken. So we've got the little simulator above our heads. But yeah. Trying to find more Swift users to watch on Twitch. Well, welcome. We are doing the Swift things. We would like to do the Swift things around here. Yeah. I haven't seen too many Swift people either. Yeah, but that's kind of I'm like a one-trick Swift pony. Yeah, I like to make the cool, funny little mobile games. Yeah, this Yippee one we're working on actually. We're almost finished. Yeah, you came right at the end. We're getting close to wrapping this one up. Although we'll definitely be adding some updates too. But we're doing pretty good. Like here's how the game works. We've got little Yippee here, and he's traversing the little Yippee landscape, and he finds some enemies, and we've got to defeat the little Yippee enemies. Yes, and we can jump around and we can shoot our little weapons and such. Yeah. And right now we're just making it look nice on iPad, which is kind of like the last thing we need to do. Yeah. That's cool. Hey, thanks. I appreciate it. Yeah, we've got some good stuff going on. We got some cool things, cool beans in the works. Yeah. Some small bugs, but we're like pretty close on the tail end of the things. Yeah, I'm pretty happy with what we've got. Yeah. This is all Swift and SpriteKit and SwiftUI. Yeah, that is like the game is SpriteKit and the UI is SwiftUI. Yeah. I guess this game UI is SpriteKit, but like this UI and like the stats here and like the shop is all SwiftUI. Yeah, we kind of do a little mix of the things, little SpriteKit UI and SwiftUI. Yeah. Yeah, but I like to work on the SwiftUI stuff because I used to be a UI kit only dude. Yeah, not until last year I started learning SwiftUI. Yeah, but before that I was doing UI kit for like, I don't know, like several years, like long time. Yeah, I'm a little late to the SwiftUI train, but I'm riding the train all the way. It's quite good. Yeah, I like it. It's good. Yeah. But yeah, right now we're trying to make this view look nice on iPad. It looks nice on iPhone, but like right now we've got like some weird stuff going on. Like this bow is kind of like clipping into this little square stuff, and we got the bat's too big. Yeah, well, we'll see what we can do. Yeah, I'm trying to make the bat a bit smaller. Yeah, let's see what we've got going on. Yes, that's what this should do. I'm gonna put a 2 here, And we'll see what we get. Maybe we get mega big bat. Mega ginormous bat, perhaps? I don't know, it didn't really change size. Also, our pop-up is still small. Ugh. Yes, okay. We'll need to change a couple things here. Yes, I know exactly what to do. Let's actually work on making our pop-up small first. We'll put it to do here. To do CY, or like fix, I guess. Fix with not changing for iPad. Yes, I have a feeling that's like a parent views width or something. It's doing some things. But yeah, I noticed our pop-up there was a bit... It wasn't doing the good things. Yeah, let's fix that. Let's fix that. So our upgrades view has its own pop-up. Yeah, confirm purchase pop-up. Yeah, let's see. It should be taking these values. That should be alright, unless perhaps we're passing in false for is iPad. That could be a thing that's happening. Oh, we are. Uh-oh. Okay, now that should fix it. That should fix it. Now our little pop-up should look quite nice and dandy. Cool. Oh, that's good. But then in here, that's okay. I think we gotta change the height too. Other than that, it looks good. Yeah, we need to make it a bit smaller. Yeah, let's see. I think the size we're passing in probably. Let's see. Let's copy the same size that we had in our skins view from earlier. Yeah, we'll just copy this whole thing actually, this content size here. And we'll plop it on in here. Very nice. And now, we shall see. We shall see if our little pop-up looks good now. Yeah, that's nice and quaint. I like it. I like it. I'm a fan. Cool. Cool. Awesome. Yes, I think the only thing we need to fix here is probably maybe the spacing between this button and the little stuff on top. And then, yeah, this bat is like mega bat. And the bow is mega bow. We'll need to make them a bit smaller. Yeah, let's see how we can do these things. And get away with it. Yes, we'll see. We shall see. Let's first try the bat. The little bat. I think that was in here. Yeah, this switch statement doesn't seem to be working. Unless our is iPad was not good. Maybe we're passing in false again. So let's check. Select weapon view. Where are we calling this? I think it's in here. Select weapon view. Is iPad is here. So where are we passing in weapon column view? We'll go up the hierarchy. We'll go up the chain of command. So now upgrades view. And where's that? Where is upgrades view? In shop view. Alright. I think so. Oh no, it's in here. We'll go up the chain of command and we'll see. Where's our is iPad? It's here. So this is being passed by into the shop tab view. And so our is iPad here is this one. Oh man, we're going all the way up. We're going all the way up just to make sure. Just to be sure. Yeah, okay, this should be good. Wait, so let's see. Why is our bat not the appropriate size? I have an idea. I will change the size on one thing. Here, we'll change the width here. And see if this changes it. If it does, that means our is iPad variable isn't the right value. Which I think that might be what's happening. Let's see. Oh no, okay. So it's also not changing then. Yeah, so that isn't the culprit. Yes, we do a little bit of bug investigations. And we see what we find. Let's see. I think it has to do with maybe this frame then. Or rather the frame on this. Yes, maybe we need to make this a bit more... Give it more room to breathe. Here. Yeah, let's make this like a 1.5 then. We'll give it a more breathing room. Hopefully it shrinks. Okay, it's... maybe not. Maybe that's too much. That's a bit much. I don't think we'll go with that route. Oh, maybe it's this content mode fill probably. Yeah, let me take out this aspect ratio fill. I think that's probably it. It's messing with our width. Oh yeah, that works now. We've got the mega tiny bat. That's a bit too small though. That's let's make it not so microscopic. Let's make this a 16 then. Yeah, well, we found the culprit. It was our little aspect ratio that we were forcing on it. Okay, wait, that's still small though. That's still a bit tiny. What if we make this bigger then? Like 4? Maybe it's too small. Let's see. Okay, that's a bit bigger. Let's put a 2 here. Alright, let's see now. That looks okay. Probably a bit wide or longer. We'll do a 1.2. Make it almost as big as the little gray around it. Yeah. And I think... oh, too big. Yeah, it's messing with our text now. We'll find the sweet spot. Maybe this is it. Let's see. Let's see. So... Ah, yes, this looks good. This looks good. And the bow also looks good. I think I'm okay with this, actually. I think I might be okay with this. Maybe just the spacing between the button and the other thing. But other than that, this looks good. Or maybe I can make the little thing wider. The little green thing wider. Although I am interested to see how this looks on the Mini. Yeah, well, let's run this on the iPad Mini. And see. Let's investigate the little Mini. We'll bring him up. We'll bring up old reliable iPad Mini 6th generation. Yes, here we go. And now, how's this looking? Oh, this is looking good. Oh, the bow's a little small. Let's make the bow a little bigger. A little taller, I guess. Yeah. Actually, am I alright with this? Like, having the bow be that big? Because in the game, it's that big. Pretty much. You know what? I think I'm okay. Yeah, so I think we're good on these 2 tabs then. Yeah. Or is Yippee too big there? He looks pretty ginormous. That's just because it's the Mini though. I think I'll make Mr. Yippee smaller in the skins view. Yeah, Mr. Yippee looks quite gymongous for the iPad Mini. Yeah, let's make him a little smaller. Yeah, that's kind of my thoughts. Yeah, it looks kind of fine in the Cosmic Yippee though. But we'll change it in both. Yeah, so like the height, I think, we'll make it, or I guess both, like the height and the width. So yeah, we'll do that. Yeah, so on iPad, we'll make this maybe 2.75, like very micro adjustments. Very ever so slight micro adjustments we like to do to make sure the things look appropriately sized. Let's see. How are we looking on the menu again? Okay. Yeah, it looks a little bit better. I'm okay with this. And the weapons view. Looking dandy. Looking nice and fine and dandy indeed. Yeah. I'm okay with this. I think this is good. Like, the only thing we have left is this gems row view. Although I'm not quite sure how to go about fixing this. This is like... It's kind of super cropped. And... yeah, these buttons are not very... Yeah, I tried resizing them earlier in a much more previous stream. But I was unsuccessful in that endeavor. So I might do some more... brain cog turning to figure this one out. But yeah, this is looking quite good on iPad now. I think maybe also one other bug we had perhaps was like the in-app purchases. Sometimes they didn't show up when you click the row. It looks good actually though, right now as I'm testing it. Yeah, as I'm testing this looks good. Look, we'll spend $100. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, RIP all my money. Oh yeah, this is a bug. Now I can like spam it. Oh, and I see the ruby kind of goes over the thing. Yeah, we'll probably want to shrink this number down. Give it like a minimum font scale. Yeah, although ideally, how many users are going to have this many rubies? Maybe, probably not many. Although, we do want to shrink the number just in case. Yeah, let me actually do that. So... oh no, we'll run this again actually. Just to show what we're fixing. The little ruby counter in the top right. I'll make it a bit smaller. Yeah, so that'll be in our shop view. This thing here. Minimum scale factor. We'll want to decrease this. Or actually, what we can do... Can we make this like 0.3 or something? How small can we make this? Let's see. Oh yeah, it's not decreasing in size, that little 357022. We want that to be smaller. I think that's because of this, probably. Yeah. I have an idea. Oh man, oh geez, Rick. Oh geez, Rick. Our label isn't getting smaller. Yeah. That is a common thing in our vernacular. There's a new ranked box on HTV. Oh, ranked cybersecurity hacking. Oh, interesting. That didn't... I guess that kind of makes sense. If you're high ranked, then you're good. I gotta go get all up in this. Yeah, good luck, Dropshot Pat. I wish you luck on that. Yeah, I hope you do well. Or at least, yeah, it's good to at least learn if things don't turn out good. If you learn, that's the important thing. Yeah, good luck though. That seems pretty cool. That seems pretty neat. Yeah. Let's see. It's an easy box allegedly. Oh, nice. That's good. That's pretty good. Yeah, I guess then you gotta get to it first. You gotta get to it first to do it fast. Yeah. I haven't hit rank for 2 seasons. Hey, but at least if you learn things and it'll get there and it'll be good. Yeah. That'll be good. Yeah. That should be a-okay. Yeah. This text is doing pretty weird stuff. Wait, am I changing the right thing? Yeah, I am. Oh, this is most intriguing. I bet you if I increase this, it'll do the 3 ellipses stuff. Yeah, it's resetting, so I got a sec to explain how rank works. Oh, it's like, is it? I'd imagine it's based off of like speed, how fast you can hack into the thing. Yeah, I might be wrong though. That might not be how the things work. Yeah. Let's see. What is this? This text is not even changing size. What is going on here? What is happening? Each new box provides RP for a week, then they are expired. Oh, so you get like points or something. Oh, I suppose so. That would make sense. Let's see. This text is no longer changing size. Oh no, wait, I think it changed size there. But it's not like scaling down. That's the problem. I think I know how to scale it down though. I know how to scale it down. I'll give this a width, an explicit width. Oh, also I love this cyber synthesizer, like synthwave music. It's quite good. At which point only your career level increases, similar to several video games, you feel. Oh, so you got like levels. Oh, neat. That's cool. That's pretty neat. Very nice. Yeah, because then, yeah, you get like, you go up in the rankings the more levels you got. Oh yeah, you see this width? That was like not it. Maybe not. Yeah, rank and career. Oh, so it's like careers too. Oh, so like, I guess like employers would probably look at like like if you're doing good on that, that would be cool. That would be good. Yeah. Oh, I've got a frame here. Max width infinity. That might not be good. I put it to do here. I even put it to do here. Like if too many rubies, use minimum scale factor, add width. Yeah, looks like this is not ideal. This we might need to come back to. Yeah, I think though we'll probably... This is looking good. Yeah. Oh yeah, not like career, but like you can get still points towards something other than rank that... Oh, it resets. Oh, there's seasons. Oh, it's actually ranked. It's like League of Legends ranked. You've got seasons and levels and it resets. Yeah, oh yeah, because you mentioned it's like a video game. Yeah, that's what it reminds me of, like League ranks. Interesting. Huh. That's pretty neat. Yeah. I think we've been doing pretty good. Yeah, I think we've been going. This is looking quite good. I'm very satisfied with the progress we've made. Yeah, this is looking quite good. Yeah, you know what? I think I might wrap it up. We have been going. We've been going. But this is good. This is quite good. Yeah, but yeah, this is good. Oh yeah, 4 seasons a year, 3 months a season, 12 boxes I give a rank. Oh, like... Oh yeah, you've got like XP and such. Oh, and retired at 9 months. Oh, okay. Yeah, it's like, yeah, I guess league seasons are longer. But it's very similar concept. Interesting. Oh, so it's a new box a week. Oh, nice. You always got a shot. That's pretty neat. That's pretty nice. Very cool. Very neat. Yeah. Yeah, anyhow, I think we've been doing good in the Yippee game. I think, yeah, this is very good. Yeah, we only have very small things to fix. But other than that, I think we're like pretty close to getting it ready for the App Store. Yeah, I think though I'll probably wrap it up. But yeah, because we've been going for a minute. Yeah, but we've been doing good. I like the progress we've made. I'm pretty satisfied. Yeah, yeah, this is good. I like this. I like this. Yeah. Anyhow, yeah, I'll probably outro it then. Yeah, let's switch out. Cool. Anyhow, yeah. Thanks for watching. This was part 37 of building a Yippee mobile game. Yeah, we made a lot of new friends too. Yeah, but actually, I think this is probably gonna be the last Yippee mobile game stream before we try and get it on the App Store. So, I think next stream, this will be an interesting one. I think we'll do some gaming. Will be Mega Gamer Hours. Yeah, I think I'm gonna be doing like Elden Ring DLC next stream, next Friday. That'll be pretty cool. But yeah, hopefully we can try and get the Yippee game published sometime soon, because I think we're at a state where we're good to go. We are good to go. But yeah, that is the next plan. We'll be fixing up the very small things left, like probably like off stream, and then we'll be doing the Elden Ringing on the Fridays of the next week. That'll be good. Yeah, because I've been waiting for that. I'm ready. We've defeated Mr. Moog on my personal account, and I am ready to defeat the Elden Ring enemies. We'll become a mega gamer. Yeah, wow, it's been a while since I've done like a gaming stream. Yeah, not since before we started the Yippee game. We did Nier Automata, but yeah, and then we did the Yippee thing for like quite a while. But yeah, let's switch it up a little bit. But we'll continue doing the mobile apping afterwards or at the same time. We'll see. But yeah, I hope you enjoyed. This is building a Yippee mobile game. I'm definitely gonna be streaming updates to it. Like I'm gonna add some backgrounds and skins and some features to the gameplay, so it won't be a goodbye forever to the Yippee game. But I think we're ready for 1.0. That's what I think. That is the main takeaway. 1.0 initial release. I think we'll be good. But yeah, with that, hope you enjoyed. I'll be streaming again on the Fridays at the 8 p.m. Pacific, as we do, as well as the Saturdays, but next stream will be the Friday. Yeah, hope you enjoyed. Have a nice rest of your weekend. And yeah, it was nice talking to you too, Dropshot Pat. We like to learn about the cybersecurity thing. Definitely not something I've dabbled with, but I'd like to learn more. That would be cool. But yeah, we've got some good stuff planned. Should be good. Let's see if we can get a Yippee game out there. Yeah, that'll be good. That'll be very good. Yeah, with that, I hope you enjoyed. Take care, and we'll catch you on the flip side. Bye-bye.